hope you all are good, guys. Just let me know, am I audible or not? Good evening, Manju. Good evening. Good evening, Coders Knowledge. काहे पड़े हो चक्कर में? So guys, today we are having the GATE score booster session on signals and system. Very soon communication will also start. So just before, confirm audio and video, guys, and just share it to maximum so that we can start. Manju Srivastava sir, मैंने signals देखा बहुत. Thank you so much, Sanju, for your Manju, for your words. Okay, so let's start the class, guys. The GATE score booster session. First of all, in today's class, मजा आ गया, sir. Okay, thank you, guys. Just share this session also to the maximum so that maximum students can connect with us. And we are having today a discussion on the questions, most important question that will boost your concepts as far as GATE 23 exam is concerned. So if you already studied signals and system with me, then I hope you know all the concepts. Now, today in today's class, you need to solve the question and you need to tell me the correct answer. Okay. Very good, very good, very good. Okay, guys, so let's start the session. So my first question is here, find the energy of this signal. Okay, anyone just do reply, find the energy of the signal, guys, all of you. If my screen is visible, then just let me know. I think everything is clear as you already told. Yes. So this is my first question, guys. Find out the energy and power of this signal. Come on. First of all, do you know the energy of e to the power minus at is what? If I will solve about the basic concept, guys, e to the power minus at ut, the energy of this signal is 1 by 2a. The area of this signal is, what is the area of this signal? Area of this signal is 1 by a. Do you remember what is the energy of e ki power at u of minus t? Its energy is also same, sir. Energy is also same, sir. And its area is also same, sir, 1 by a. So I hope you remember, guys. Why? So Manju says 13 by 24. Okay. Now my question to you: what is the answer? What is the energy of e to the power at ut? What is the energy of e to the power at ut, guys? Yeah. E to the power at ut. What is the energy of this signal? So if you will, if many students directly, if you want to directly apply the concept as far as energy signal is concerned, what is the formula of energy, guys? What is the formula of energy? So if I talk about the simple energy formula, this energy formula is nothing but minus infinity to infinity mod of xt whole square dt. Mod of xt whole square dt. This is the energy formula, guys. This is the energy formula. E equal to minus infinity to infinity mod of xt whole square dt. But we have one short trick that I have already told you. E to the power minus at ut, energy is 1 by 2a, area is 1 by a. Yes. Yes or no, guys? Just let me know. How are you, Ravi? I am good, Ravi. How are you? I hope you all are good, guys. Just share the session to maximum or classroom students, so all of you will get the benefit of this. Many times I have received your messages, guys, and I know you all are already covered control signal digital in a good way. Now it's time to solve the questions and all. So e to the power minus 2t ut and e to the power minus 4t. So what is the general mistake student generally doing? All of you should reply your answer in chat box, guys. E ki power minus 2t ut 1 upon 2a, so it will be 1 by 4. E to the power minus 4t ut, so it will be 1 by 8. Yes or no? But what is the term missing here? Rohit said the answer. So some students are saying, sir, 1 by 4, 1 by 8, we can take the LCM, we'll get the answer. But here we have one trap, guys, because energy formula is this, na sir. If you want to find out the energy of this term, minus infinity to infinity, e to the power minus at ut plus e to the power minus bt ut, then its complete energy you need to make it whole square, sir. And when you will square it and integrate it, then you will get the ultimate expression just like this. First you will get 1 upon 2a plus 1 upon 2b and plus twice upon a plus b. Just let me know, guys, you all are getting the same or not. Just let me know. All of you guys just do reply, you are getting the same or not. 1 upon twice a, 1 upon twice b, 1, and this is the formula twice of e की power minus 80 a square plus b square plus twice ab. So when you will open this, when you will integrate, you will get this expression. So if examiner is asking for, if in the first question, so what is the missing term, guys? Here missing term is twice upon a plus b. What is a plus b, guys? A value is 2, b value is 4, so 4 plus 2 6. I hope it is clear to you. Now answer is 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8 and plus 1 by 3 twice upon a plus b. How many of you guys getting the same? Tell me. How many of you guys getting the same? Tell me, guys. So when you will take the LCM, tell me what will be the LCM, guys? LCM is 24 or not? So 4 5 are 24, 6 are 24, 8 3 are 24, and guys 3 8 are 24. Yes or no? So correct answer would be 8 plus 6 plus 3, so 17 by 24. Anyone who got the correct answer, just let me know. All of you just do reply fast. Anyone who got the correct answer, just let me know. Manju, Nikhil, Rohit, just do reply, bacho. Just do reply fast. So here's a trap because many students will miss this term. Many students will miss this term. Student directly remember e की power minus 80 ut 1 by 2a. This is the term generally student remember. So this is the first question, good question. I hope you guys remember this. Shall we go for next, bacho? Just let me know NOW. All of you guys just do reply fast. Manju got 13 by 24 and Rohit says 7 by 120. So wrong only. Do reply fast, guys. Shall we go for next? I think this question you have already completed. Now I am going for the next question. So I have asked this question also. E की power 80 ut, it is a neither energy nor power signal, guys. Any NP signal, because e की power 80 ut is a unbounded signal, because this is a unbounded signal. And once the signal is an unbounded signal, we cannot find out energy and power, infinity only. Is this clear or not? Why you are not replying, guys? You should reply fast in chat box. You all should reply in chat box, guys. Ravi, yes. To reply fast. Just let me know, guys. चले आगे हम लोग. Okay. So now this question is completed. Try to solve this question. This is also a good question. Try to solve this question. No, this is a GATE score booster session. So what is the expectation from your side? At least you know the simple concepts of signals and system. If you know about some energy and power, if you know about the step signal, impulse signal, ramp signal, how to differentiate the signal, how to integrate the signal. We have discussed signal and system in unmatchable form. If you have already completed signal and system, then you are eligible to solve this question. So all of you just try to attempt, guys. All of you just try to attempt. This is the question. I am giving you time. Just try to solve this question. Do it fast. I am giving you 1 minute time, 2 minute time even. Try to solve it. Just tell me, am I audible or not? Tarun got the answer 23. Okay, very good, Tarun. Okay, tell me the area and energy of xt first of all. Tell me the area and energy of xt first of all. Okay, all of you sincerely attempt this question. Area and energy, all of you. Tarun got the answer 23. Very good, bacha. Very good. Very good, because you have attempted. Good. Other students should also reply. All of you should reply. Tell me, audio, video clear or not, first of all. Everything is clear, bachcho? Audio, video? Yes, sir, clear. Okay. So, first thing, you have to make the diagram from the equation. If you are comfortable to make a diagram from the equation, then only you guys can solve this question. And I hope you all know how to draw the equation, how to draw the diagram from the equation, and how to write the equation from the diagram. Okay. So, here we have one equation and we have to first of all make the diagram. Okay. So, just make the diagram, guys. I will make the diagram for you here. All of you just try to focus on the board. So, here the waveform will come. Here the waveform will come. Okay. So, tell me, here we are having t, here we are having xt. Okay. Okay. The first thing, you have to focus on the location, guys. What is the location? 5 plus 5 plus minus 5. It means you are having location at minus 5 and you have to make a amplitude of plus 5. It means we are having a plus 5 magnitude step. Now, guys, this plus 5 magnitude here, we are traveling here at this. As soon as the next location will come, that is plus 2, it means the location is actually minus 2. As soon as the minus 2 location will come, there will be a contribution of plus 3. It means you will again add the step here plus 3. So, ultimately you will get 5 plus 3, 8. Right now you are enjoying at 8 value and you will be travel like this. And you have to check the next location t minus 1 inside the bracket. It means the actual location is plus 1. So, once the plus 1 location will come, you are here only. After that, guys, 8 minus 2, so you will reach at minus 6. So, you will reach at what, guys? 8 minus 2, so you will reach at plus 6 actually, yes or no? Because you are right now the magnitude is 8 and here is the contribution of minus 2 at the plus 1 location. So, as far as plus 1 location will come, there will be a contribution of minus 2. So, 8 minus 2 is 6. Now, you are traveling at 6. Now, you are at 6 value and you are enjoying at 6 only, yes. Now, as soon as the 3 value will come, as soon as the plus 3 value will come, tell me, guys, as soon as the plus 3 value will come, there will be a contribution of minus 7. Right now, you are at plus 6. When you will decrease the amplitude by minus 7, you will reach at minus 1, guys. You will reach at minus 1. And you are traveling at minus 1. Right now, you are enjoying at minus 1 only. Now, as far as the next location is concerned, the next location is 5 only. So, once the 5 location will be, there will be a contribution of plus 4. Right now, you are at minus 1. Right now, you are at minus 1. So, when you will, very good, yaar. One student has replied answer. I am very happy. Very happy that one student replied correctly only. This is what? Plus 3, because you have to start your journey from minus 1 and you have to travel plus 4 distance. It means minus 1 to plus 4, you will reach at plus 3. Right now, you are enjoying at plus 3 and you are looking for the next location. Next location is 8. So, once the next location will come 8, there will be a contribution of minus 3. Presently, you are at plus 3. So, plus 3 minus 3, it means you will reach at 0 only. How many of you guys got this diagram? Just let me know. How many of you got this exact diagram? Yes or no? Just clap for Rohit. Just clap for Rohit. Rohit got the correct answer. Shabash Rohit beta. Very good. Shabash Rohit. Very good. Very good. So, Amar Biswas, good evening Amar, good evening. So first thing student, I have asked about XT energy and area. So Rohit, I think Rohit has replied about the energy of this YT signal. I am asking for the area and energy of XT. So student, just let me, it is very easy now. If you are looking for the area of XT, then what will be the area? Area calculation is easy, sir. Area calculation is very easy. I will just make the thickness, small thickness guys, like this. Okay. So tell me what is the area? So if I talk about the area, what is the area of this guys? The area of this signal? This is 5 and this is distance is what? 5 and minus 2 to minus 5 difference is 3 only. So 5 3 is 15. So 15 is the area. What is the area of this box guys? If I talk about the area of this box, then area of this box will be 8 into the difference, minus 2 and 1 difference is 3. So 8 3 is 24. Plus, again what is the area of this? The area of this signal is 6 and difference 2, 6 2 is 12, 1 or 3 difference is 2 only. The next is minus 1 into 3 or 5 का distance क्या होता है sir? 2 only. So this is minus 2. Area can be negative also. Area can be negative also guys. Minus 1 into 2 minus 2 plus 3, and what is the difference of this guys? The difference of this again 3. So 3 and 5 or 8 difference, 3 3 is 9 only. Now you can add, you will get the area. So area will be what guys? Here you will get 12 plus 9, that is 21. 21 plus 24, that is 45 plus 60, is it 58? Do reply fast guys. As far as any area of XT is concerned, do you all guys agree with me? As far as area of XT is concerned, is it clear or not? Is this crystal clear or not? Please do reply fast. Rohit. Yes, sir. So Rohit, the area of the XT is 58. Now tell me what is the energy of XT? Now tell me guys, what is the energy of XT? I have a space here. I will find the calculation of energy here only. I will do the calculation for energy here only. If I talk about the energy in the rectangular pulse, the energy of the rectangular pulse is always what guys? The energy of a rectangular pulse. I hope you remember this short trick. Guys. If we have a width B, if we have a amplitude, then direct energy is nothing but A square into B. If I talk about a triangular nature, which is having the width B and which is having the amplitude A, it's short trick. I told you many times in my classes, the short trick A square by 3 into B. And these are the unique part of our class guys. That will make the difference between the normal textbook, reference book and our classes. So that is why our classes are unique. If I talk about a sinusoidal knob here, half knob, then its energy will be A square by 2 into B. I hope you remember guys, these all will be working as an amazing short trick for you. If you are preparing for a competition examination, you all should know the short trick. Ravi replied that 368. Okay, very good. Let's see. So if I talk about the first of all 5 whole square 25, 25 into 3, so I must write here 75. The first term is 75, okay. The next term is 8 whole square 64, minus 2 to plus 1 distance is 3 only, so multiply with 3 plus 6 whole square 36 here, 36 into 1 and 3 distance 2, 36 into 2, 72, okay. The next minus 1 ka whole square 1 into 3 and 5 distance 2, so 2 only, plus 3 whole square 9, 9 3 ja 27 is equal to, now you need to just calculate it guys, 75 plus, just need to calculate it, 75 plus 192 plus 72 plus 2 plus 27. So when you will add this now, you will exactly get 368 guys, you will exactly get 368. Yeah. Chali. Thank you Vipin, thank you. Ravi, excellent, shabash. Just clap for Ravi, all of you. Ravi got the excellent answer, 368, very good. So for this particular question, my dear student, the energy is 368, but examiner is not asking for the energy of xt. Examiner is asking for the energy of yt. Now, do you know what is the relation? Do you know the energy is only and only, as far as shifting is concerned, energy is independent to time shifting, time reversal. It does depends on time scaling factor as well as amplitude scaling factor. Yes or no? So, this is your responsibility, guys. Just make sure that you have shared the session of this YouTube link so that other student will also get the information that now Ankur sir is live and we are having a discussion of very good question of signals and system. Because if more students will attempt na guys, you will also have a good feeling of competition. Healthy competitions will be there in the chat box. You will also want to type first answer in the chat box. Yes or no? So, just tell me what about the yt. So, do you know guys, do you know the relation? Do you know if xt has a area, if xt has a area capital A na, then minus capital A, okay, minus I will write P also, any variable I can take, minus K x of minus AT plus B has the area equal to what? Area is also independent to time shifting, but it does depends on time scaling factor guys. And amplitude factor is whatever that will be multiplied. So, area will be A minus K we need to multiply and it will be mode of minus time scaling factor. So, area is also independent to time shifting as well as time reversal. So, this box is dedicated for the area term, my dear students. If I talk about energy, if I will talk about energy signal, then what it will be guys? If xt signal is having the energy capital E, then the energy of minus K x of minus AT plus B will be what? It will be minus K whole square. It means plus K square into E upon mode of minus A. And do you know what is mode of minus A? A only. So, answer is K square into E upon A. But here answer is negative, minus K into A upon A. Why? Because area can be negative guys. Area can be negative. Amar Viswas, yes or no? Now, all of you must reply. If I talk about the last question, YT, all of you to reply. Ravi should reply first. Ravi and one more student, that is Rohit. Rohit, I am asking for what is the area of YT. Okay. Tell me what is the area of YT now. Tell me beta, what is the area of YT? What will be the area of YT? This area is, sir, 58, okay. So, area of YT, it means minus 2 we need to multiply, sir, and 58 will be as it is here, sir, and upon student minus 16 plus 24. We are not looking for this shifting, time shifting. We are only looking for the scaling factor, minus 80 plus B, it means 16 only. So, we have minus 16, but mode it is. So, don't you think guys, it is 2, 16, cancel out. So, it will be negative only, negative minus 58 upon 2, 8 ja. So, 58 upon 8 with having minus sign. How many of you are getting the same? How many of you guys getting the same? Tell me guys, minus 58 upon, because xt has area 58 na sir, like this. Now, if I talk about energy, I am having less space here, but I will use this part guys. I will use this part, energy. Energy of xt 368, energy of 368. Into here asking for scaling factor minus 2. So, minus 2 का whole square क्या हो गया? Plus 4 हो गया. Upon, here is scaling factor 16. So, you have to divide with mode of 16. So, it will be 16 only. So, answer is what? 4, 4 the 16. Is it clear or not बच्चा? Is it crystal clear or not रे यार? बोलो रे, बोलो, बोलो. Four 4 the 16. Is it clear? Comments. So, tell me what is the answer? Tell me guys what is the answer? 1 by 4. So, when you will divide this, I think you will get 92. I think you will get 92. Yes. So, that is why Rohit is correct only. That is why Rohit is correct only. Student, 12 students are live, but having like less than the live class. Students, just like the session, make sure that and share it to maximum. Okay, just do reply bachcho, just do reply. Shall we go for next or not? Do reply बच्चों, बोलो बच्चों बोलो, चले हम आगे की तरफ. Yes. So this is the first question. It is a good question, guys. If I talk about the signals and system basics, where first of all you should remember all the impulse properties, simple impulse property, xt dot del t equal to x0 into del t, like that, step signal, ramp signal, parabolic nature. After that, how to write the mathematical equation, integration of waveform, differentiation of signal waveform. After that, classification of signal, periodic, non-periodic, energy, power. So here most important topic, if I talk about initial phase, in the starting of signal and system, energy and power is very much important, and even periodic, non-periodic concept is also important. Okay, so again come to the next question, guys. Tell me what is the answer of this. Okay, this is quite easy question, so I am expecting the answer from you very fast. Okay, all of you tell me what is the answer of this. I will use timer also here. Ravi, Tarun, sir. No one can match your teaching level, sir. Thank you so much, bacha. Thank you so much, beta, for your lovely words. I know many of you are here to say thanks, but you have to stay here because we are having the session continuous, guys. Okay, so this is the time to attempt the question. Whatever you have learned in the last days, guys, I will feel very happy if you will give me correct answer. I will feel happy if you will give me correct answer. Tell me. So I think 50-second time is completed now, guys. Now it's your time to reply in chat box. 8-4. Okay. The energy of the signal is 8-4. Okay, very good. One student has replied. Who is replied? Tarun is replied. Okay. So what is the answer, guys? Answer is nothing but energy. Or a triangular signal, I told you, A is the amplitude. So A matlab 2 whole square. A square by 3 into B. A square by 3 into B. What is B? B matlab ye complete distance, 6 distance. So here is 6 only. Correct answer will be what, guys? 2 ka whole square 4 and 3 2 ja 6. So 4 2 ja 8. So energy of this signal is 8 only. And what about the energy of YT? Very nice. What is the energy of YT? The energy of YT will be what, sir? Whatever the shifting factor does not change, scaling factor. So here is time scaling factor will only affect. So 8 upon mode of -2. So it will be 4. So correct answer will be 8 and 4. Correct answer will be 8 and 4. Shabash. Shabash, bacha, shabash. Very good, Tarun. Very good. What about Ravi? What about Rohit? Just do reply. Shall we go for next, bacho? Bolo yaar. Shall we go for next? Chalo. Now tell me, what is the answer of this? What is the answer of this? Find the energy and power of the signal, guys. First of all, it is an energy signal or power signal? It is the energy signal, guys. It is the energy signal. It is not a power signal. For the power signal, we are having a constant amplitude or constant oscillation till time t tends to infinity. I hope you remember this. Yes. Tell me what is the answer, guys. Tell me. Tell me what is the answer of this question. All of you do reply fast. So there, this is the first signal, guys. This is the second signal, guys, and this is the third signal. An examiner is simply asking for the energy of this. So if I talk about the first nature, tell me what about the first nature signal? The first nature is nothing but the triangular nature. So a square by 3 into b. So a square matlab ye 4 whole square. A square by 3 into b. B ka matlab this is -3, guys, and this is 5 actually. This is 5. Okay. So -3 to 1. -3 to 1 matlab distance is 4 na. -3 to 0 3 और ये 1. तो ये 4 distance है. A square by 3 into b plus. Here we are having a rectangular pulse. So this value is nothing but -4 actually. So -4 ka whole square. Here we will get -4 ka whole square, but because of energy we are having mode actually. So a square into 1 और 3 का distance क्या होता है? 1 and 3 distance is 2 only. 1 and 3 distance is 2 only. So -4 whole square into 2 and plus again we are having 2 whole square, and 3 and 5 distance is 2 only. So ultimate what it will be, guys? It will be 4 whole square, 16 4 ja 64, plus minus 4 whole square 16, 16 2 ja 32, and plus what? 2 ka whole square 4 2 ja 8. So correct answer for this question will be 64 by 3 plus 32 plus a 40. So when you will take the LCM, you will exactly get 64 plus 4 3 ja 12, 120 upon 3. Is this clear or not, guys? So it will be, I think, 184 by 3. All of you just do reply. You are getting the same or not? You all are getting the same or not? Yes or no? Yes or no, Ravi? Ravi, do reply. 64 by 3 plus 40. Yes, sir. 64 by 3 plus 40. Now, student, for the same question, can you write the mathematical equation of this? How many of you write the mathematical equation of this? If I talk about the mathematical equation in terms of step and ramp, then you guys can write like this. You can initiate the equation from the first 4 step. The signal will be what, guys? Plus 4 into u of t plus 3. Right now you are at plus 4 location. Again, student, downward symbol, it means you have to take negative sign. This is the ramp nature. You need to find out the slope of this. What is the slope? Difference in y upon difference in x. So difference is y 4, and here is also 4, so 1. So minus 1 into r of t plus 3, because the location is 3 only. Right now you are traveling here, enjoying here. At this location, what will happen, guys? This is increasing, slope is increasing. So you will get plus 1 into r of t minus 1. And after that, we are having a decreasing step also. Decreasing step matlab minus 4 u of t minus 1. And again, we are having plus 4 into u of t minus 3. Or not even plus 4, because here is 4 and again 2, so plus 6 actually. Here is 6. Here is plus 6. Plus 6 into plus 6, because minus 4 to 2 plus 6. Plus 6 into u of t minus 3. You are traveling here last, and last final minus twice into u of t minus. So student, this is another way to ask the similar type of question. This is another way, okay? Maybe examiner will not give you diagram. Examiner can give you equation also. And now the difficulty level is increased, because now if you are able to make the curve from this equation, then only you are eligible to find out energy and area. Yes or no? Just do reply. Ravi, Tarun, all of you. Do reply. Shall we go for next or not? Shall we go for next, guys? Now tell me what is the answer of this, all of you. Tell me what is the answer of this. Come on. So before going to solve the next question, I just want to revise the energy concepts, guys. I just want to revise the energy concept. I already told you exponential signal energy. If I talk about the power signal, how many of you remember the power of this? A into sine of omega 0 t into B, or we can say that A into e ki power j omega 0 t A. What is the power of this signal, guys? Power is nothing but here a square by 2. Power is nothing but here a square, DC signal. Power is nothing but here a square only. So these are the basics. We can say the short trick you need to remember, guys. You need to remember. If I talk about the power of ut signal, then power of ut is nothing but half. If I talk about a ut, then it will be a square by 2, like this. So you should remember the basics. You should remember the basics. Okay. Now try to solve this impulse signal property question. Many times directly gate question has been framed on this concept. All of you just try to solve it. All of you just try to. I will feel happy if you will give me correct answer, guys. I will feel happy if you will reply correct answer. No one can. Shabash, shabash, shabash. Come on, come on, come on. Ravi, yes sir. I am expecting a sincere effort, true effort from your side. You have to attempt this question, guys. I am giving you proper time, okay? Hi Raj Singh. Raj, कैसे हो आज? Namaskar sir. Namaskar Raj. Namaskar. I am very happy to see you in chat box. After long time, we had a discussion on signals and system in a live manner. So just share this session link to others also. आपकी दुआ है सर. चलिए. VLP Gaming. Hi, hi, hi. Chalo beta, hi. Now, come on, come on, come on. Tell me your explanation is too good, sir. Thank you so much, प्यारे बच्चों, for your lovely words. Thank you so much for your response. 2.5. Tarun got the answer. Okay, okay. Any other students? Any other students who got the answer? Just let me know. Any other students who got the answer? Just do reply. Okay. So before solving this question, I just want to recall the simple properties of del, that is xt dot del t is nothing but x0 into del t. I hope you remember this. But if I talk about the integration now, minus infinity to infinity, xt dot del t dt is nothing but x0 only. If I talk about the impulse signal area property, minus infinity to infinity, del t dt will be always 1. Similarly, guys, if we talk about the shifting, so xt dot del of t minus t naught into dt. So whatever is t naught, it will be shift with t. So the answer will be x of t naught only. Like that, guys, we are having the property minus infinity to infinity. Even I can write like this, minus infinity to infinity, x of t minus t1 and del of t minus t2 into dt. The answer will be what? T2 will replace here. So the answer will be x of T2 minus T1. At the same time, one more important property, the scaling property del of AT will be nothing but 1 upon mod of A into del of T. Yeah. So these are the basics. Sir, voice कम है सर, increase करिए. अच्छा अच्छा, voice कम है क्या? थोड़ा सा तेज बोलना पड़ेगा शायद, ऐसा है. राज, वॉइस अब ठीक है क्या? थोड़ा थोड़ा इसमें ऐसा प्रॉब्लम है, शायद वॉइस थोड़ा धीरे आ रहा है, क्योंकि आई थिंक आई हैव इन द लास्ट सेशन ऑल्सो दैट सम स्टूडेंट्स आर रिप्लाइंग दैट सर वॉइस धीरे आ रहा है, वॉइस इज लेस ऑडिबल सर. यस यस यस. ओके, सो लेट मी सी गाइस, लेट मी चेक द माइक. वो जो वो पढ़ा है वो क्या है? वो तो माइक ही है ना, वो के लिए सर, मतलब अच्छा स्टार्ट हो रहा है. हाँ. अच्छा ठीक है, दैट इज डिफरेंट. Okay, guys. So tell me, what about this? What about this, guys? Minus infinity to infinity, x of t dot del of at dot dt is nothing but 1 upon a into x of 0. Yeah. Because del of at is nothing but 1 upon a del t and x del t is x0 only. So I hope you remember these properties of simple impulse signal. And those who know the property, they can easily solve this. Raj, tell me what is the answer. Tarun and Rohit, just clap for Tarun and Rohit, guys. Just clap for Tarun and Rohit. They both got the correct answer. So this is the first term you need to apply the property. Property says that here you can initiate like this, minus infinity to infinity, sine of t plus 4 into del of, you have to take the minus 2 outside the bracket. So inside the bracket you will get t plus 4 into dt. This is the first term. Okay. Now second term I am writing here plus, again integration I am writing here, I am splitting integration in two parts. So here we are having t square plus cos of 2t minus 16 into del of, you can take outside 4, so you will get inside 4 minus 3 into dt. This is the question, guys. So how you can approach this impulse signal? This minus 2 will come outside 1 upon mod of minus 2. So it will be 1 by 2. And here 4 will not come. Here minus 4 will come to this. So it will be actually sine of minus 4 plus 4. And do you know sine 0 is 0 only? So this completely term will become 0 actually. The first term will become 0. Now the next term. Here 4 will be come outside as a 1 by 4. Okay. And you will be replaced as a 3. Wherever is t, you need to replace as 3. So now here 3 whole square. This is what, guys? 3 whole square plus cos of 3 to just 6. And what is here, guys? It is here also 6 na? Here also 6 na? Yes or no? Cos of 2t minus 6, it is not 16, it is 6 only. That is 6 hai bhaiya. 2t minus 6 only. 2t minus 6. So 6 minus 6, 0. Do you know what is cos 0? What is cos 0, guys? Cos 0 is 1 only. So answer is 3 का whole square 9 plus 1 10 by 4. Answer will be 10 by 4, it means 2.5. 2.5, it means answer C for Chennai Super King, CSK. So CSK will be the correct answer. All of you just do reply option number C correct answer or not. Option number C for Chennai is correct. All of you do reply fast. All of you guys just do reply fast. Shall we go for next? Yes or no? Okay. So here is the next question. Do respond fast, guys. Do respond fast. Okay, if I talk about this, this is the power of this signal, guys. Tell me what is the power of this signal? Tan into cos of 2t minus 30 degree, and here is what? Plus 12 of cos of, okay, and here we are having 3t minus 45 degree. Can you please tell me what is the power of this? I'll just make a simple question to you. What is the power of this signal? And the next signal is here, guys. Here is 3 into, we are having sine of 2t minus, okay, 2t minus 30 degree, okay, and here also we are having plus 2 into cos of 2t minus 60 degree. Yeah. Tell me what is the power of these two? What is the difference between these two? So students, such type of question already asked in GATE in the last PYQs. When you will see, you will get the answer. So answer is very easy, sir. A square by 2. A square by 2 matlab 10 square by 2. Here is also A square by 2 matlab 12 whole square by 2. So answer will be what? 100 by 2. Here is 100 and 12 whole square is 144 and divide by 2. So answer will be what, guys? 244. 244 divided by 2. So answer will be what, guys? 122. Absolutely correct. Shabash. 122. All of you just do reply fast. Shall we go for next? Shall we go for next, guys? Yes or no? 122. Shabash. What about the energy of this? Ravi, what is the power of this now? Raj, what is the power of this? Now, many students are doing like this. 3 square by 2 plus 2 square by 2. Yeah. I am telling you guys, in India, many students are doing like this. It is wrong. It is wrong. 3 ka whole square 9 plus 2 ka whole square 4 upon 2. So they will get 9 plus 4 13 by 2. 13 by 2 is wrong. 13 by 2 is wrong in this question. It is wrong. Ye Raj, kya baat hai? Kaise ho aaj? Kya baat hai? Raj is correct only. Very good. So what is the concept here? What is the concept here? This is the concept, guys. This is the concept here. If we are having the term of cos of omega t minus phi 1 plus b of cos of, बोलो बच्चों बोलो, ये है क्या? A cos omega t plus phi 1, b cos of omega t plus phi 2. ये. Then if the frequency is same na bachcha, if omega 1 and omega 2. So I hope you remember the short trick here. If omega 1 is not equal to omega 2, then its power is equivalent to a square by 2 plus b square by 2. Yeah. But here, if omega 1 is equal to omega 2, if frequencies are same, if both frequencies are same, then power will be what, guys? A square by 2 plus b square by 2 plus ab into cos of phi 1 minus phi 2. Yeah. Do you guys agree or not? Raj, shabash. Correct only. Very good. And you need to identify AB value also. But in this concept, you have to make sure that both are in the same phase, whether both are in cos or whether both are in sine only. Yes or no? So accordingly, you can write here. 3 into sine of. You can convert this sine also in the cos. How can you convert in cos, guys? Can you write like this, guys? Can you write like this? Cos of 2t minus, bolo bachcha bolo, minus 30 degree, or what is cos of minus theta? Tell me what is cos of minus theta? What is cos of minus theta, guys? If I talk about cos of 90 plus theta, I cannot write. But can I write cos of 90 minus theta? Yes or no? Cos of 90 minus theta, can I do like this? Yes or no? Yes. So you can do like this and you can convert into sine also. You can convert in sine also. So if I will take complete this term as a sine, then it will be cos of 90 degree minus theta. It means I can write here 2t minus 30 degree. Is it clear or not? and plus you can write twice into cos of, this is already 2t minus 60 degree only. Now in the next step you can write into 3 into cos of, now what it will be guys? It will be 90 minus 2t, so I am writing here minus 2t, no problem sir, minus 2t, and 90 and minus 30, what it will be? 90 and minus plus 30, so don't you think it is 120? It is 120, and plus you can write 2 of cos of 2t minus 60 degree. Now why I have written like that? Because cos of 90 minus theta, it means 90 minus x, it means it is first quadrant sir. Bolo हाँ या ना, first quadrant sir. ये. So now you can compare, do you know what is cos minus theta? Cos minus theta is cos theta only. So you can write like this, 3 into cos of 2t minus 120 degree and plus 2 into cos of, bolo, 2 into cos of, bolo, 2 into cos of 2t minus 60 degree. Now you can identify the AB value also, and you can identify the values of phi 1 and phi 2 also. So a square by 2, what is a square? A square matlab 3 का whole square by 2. B square by 2 matlab B का matlab 2, so 2 whole square by 2. Plus AB matlab 3 into 2, 6. 6 into cos of phi 1 minus phi 2. What is phi 1? Phi 1 is this completely, phi 1 is minus 120 degree. What is phi 2? Minus 60 degree. So answer will be what guys? Cos of phi 1 matlab लिखेंगे आप minus 120 degree minus 60. So it will be actually plus 60. So ultimately what you will get? Ultimately you will get 3 का whole square 9 by 2 plus 2 का whole square 4 by 2 plus 3 2 just 6 into cos of minus 120 plus 60. It will be minus 60 degree. And do you know cos minus theta is cos theta? So shall I write cos 60 degree here? Yes or no? So do you remember 9 by 2? 9 by 2 is nothing but 4.5 plus 2. बोलो भाई 4 by 9, 3 cos का 9 by 2, 4.5, 4 by 2, 2, and 6 into cos 60. What is cos 60? Sin 30. What is sin 30? Half. So you can write half here. Yeah. So answer will be 4.2 plus 2, it will be 6.5 plus 2, 3 just 6. So 3 will be the answer. So don't you think 6 plus 3, 9.5? 9.5 getting or not guys? Is it crystal clear beta? Shall we go for next? Raj? Yes or no? So when you will solve like this, complete answer like this. I hope it is crystal clear to all of you. Shall we go for next? So this is the good concept guys. I think you remember this concept. I think you guys remember the concept, yes. Okay. Now tell me what is the answer of this. All of you just try to solve this. Take your time and tell me what is the answer. Take your time and tell me what is the answer guys. Very good Raj, very good. The continuous time signal xt is shown figure. The mathematical equation of yt equal to minus infinity to t xt dt. It means this is the xt waveform and you need to take running integration of. Upper limit is t, so you need to take a running integration of xt and you will get the signal yt. An examiner is asking for the energy of yt. Very easy question it is. Tarun, kya baat hai. Thank you so much Tarun, you are getting correct answer. Very good Tarun, very good. So do you know student what is the equation of xt? It is very easy to write the mathematical equation of xt. What is the equation of xt guys? The location is minus 2 na sir. And the amplitude is 4. So you should write like this, 4 into del plus 2, 4 into del t plus 2 and minus 4 into del of t minus 3. This is your xt signal and xt is carrying impulse nature dear student. When you will integrate this, you will get yt, and when you will integrate, the del will replace as a u. So you will get 4 of ut plus 2 and minus 4 u of t minus 3. Is it clear or not guys? Yes or no? Yes. Now this is your yt signal. This is your yt signal. Now tell me what is the, tell me guys, what is the diagram of this? ut plus 2, it means location is minus 2. Minus 3, it means location is plus 3. Plus 4 magnitude, yes sir, plus 4. After that, you are having minus 4 like this. So here this is plus 4 guys, and this is your now yt. This is not your now yt. So what is the energy of yt? A square into b. A square into b matlab 4 ka whole square into minus 2 and plus 3 distance is 5 only. So 16 5 ja 80 only. So answer is 80, and examiner is also asking for the equation of this. Examiner is also asking for the equation of this. Thank you so much, Praveen. Thank you so much. Tell me, guys, tell me. Shabash. Chalo. Option 4 not correct. Option 4 and option number A is actually same here by mistake. Option number A and option number 4, when you will see now, it is actually same only. Yes. So A and D both are correct, but here it should not like this. Option number D should, I can make some changes here so that we'll have only one answer correct only. Okay. Otherwise, you will see the option number A and option number D expression wise same only na. UT plus 2 plus. Okay, option number D is different because plus is here na bacha plus. Option number D is wrong because plus sign is there. Ravi. We are looking for the rectangular pulse, so the sign should be in minus only. So in between the sign is minus. So option number D is wrong. Option number D is wrong. Yes. Option number C is also wrong because the location minus 2 wrong. Option number A is B also wrong because 40 only. Correct answer is option number A for Ahmedabad only. A for Ahmedabad only. हेलो निकिता सर, आपके सिग्नल की प्लेलिस्ट, शाबाश निकिता शाबाश. I know student, many students have already completed amplitude. Amplitude is 4. Amplitude is 4, that is already outside beta. Amplitude is 4 plus 4. Shall we go for next प्यारे बच्चों? N or W? N मतलब next, W मतलब wait. I hope it is clear to you. Now I am going for the next question. So this is a property based question. How many of you remember the properties of signal and system? If you have attended my classes, dear student, I taught this concept in a very unique way, and I hope you remember all the short trick. Can you tell me how to decide the linearity? How to check whether the system is linear or non-linear? Whenever any operation applied on the input signal, it will make the system non-linear. X square t, x cube t, mod of x t, root of x t, sine of x t, cos of x t, rectangular of x t, sampling of x t, square root of x t, always non-linear. Yes or no, guys? Always non-linear. Whenever any operation directly applied on the input signal, it will make the signal non-linear. Yes or no? Yes or no, guys? If any operation applied on the independent variable inside the bracket t, it doesn't affect the linearity of a system. The next concept, a system is said to be linear if the input signal is multiple of function of time. Like that, xt equal to cos t xt linear, t square xt linear, mod of t xt linear, e ki power t xt linear, like that. Is it clear or not, guys? Tell me, even signal and odd signals are always linear, but real and imaginary part of the signal will be always non-linear. Integration and differentiation operations are always linear. Yes or no? Here Raj is showing the answer. क्या बात है यार, क्या बात है यार, क्या बात है. Very nice. If I talk about time variant invariant, how to decide time variant invariant? Whenever any function of time is a multiple of the input signal xt, it will make your system time variant. Yes or no, guys? There should not any operation applied on the independent variable. If any operation applied on the independent variable, it means small t inside the bracket. If you will apply, it will make the system time variant. Yes or no? So I hope I am not supposed to repeat all the concepts here again and again. We'll solve this question one by one. So I am just asking a first thing, what about R1? You just write in chat box, linearity means L, TV matlab time variant, TIV matlab time invariant, like that. C matlab causal, NC matlab non-causal, okay. So use this short form and type in chat box about R1. I am asking for R1 guys. This is T ki power half matlab root T xt. So it is 100% linear, sir. It is 100% linear, sir. Yeah. But because the function of time is a multiple of xt, it will make the system time variant. Time variance, TV. Time variance. After that, examiner is also asking for causal, non-causal, because how to decide the causality, that output of the system is only depends on the present and past values of input. It means it is depending on present. This independent variable you need to check. It is causal only. So your answer should be L, TV and C. Kya baat? L, TV, C. Very good, Raj and Rohit. Shabash, shabash, shabash. If I talk about R2, what will be the answer? R2. In the R2, everything is okay, but because of this mode, the mode expression is responsible to make this system non-linear. So it is non-linear. It is non-linear. Plus, because of this T plus 3, because of this T plus 3 depends on future values. So it is non-causal also. Non-causal also. And because T is multiple of xt, function of time is multiple of mod of xt, so it will make the system, TV also, time variant also. So answer is non-linear, time variant, non-causal. Non-linear, time variant and non-causal. Yeah. Non-linear, time variant, non-causal. Very good, Raj. Very good, Ravi. So now what is the answer of this, guys? What is the answer of this? Integration and differentiation operation does not make the system, does not affect the linearity of a system. So this is 100% linear signal. Minus infinity to t plus 2 x2 d2, it means because of the upper limit is having the future term t plus 2, so it will be non-causal, sir. It will be non-causal. And it is 100% time invariant also, because in the time invariant, time scaling and time reversal will affect the time invariant property, whereas time shifting property does not affect the time invariant property. So because of t plus 2, this is TIV. In place of t plus 2, if I will make it 2t na, then it will be time variant. It will be TV, yes or no? So the third expression R3 will be linear, TIV and NC. What about log of xt, guys? Because of log exponent is quite easy, non-linear, and xt matlab causal only, and time variant invariant, so of course TIV only, because xt is not multiplied with any function of time and all. Yeah. The last but not the least, here x square will make it non-linear, plus it will be TIV or because of cos omega t, function of time multiply, so it is time variant, and because of depending on the present value, so causal only. Yeah. So this is all about the answer, guys. You can reflect P1 R1. PR1 matlab linear causal time variant, linear causal P1 R1, correct. P2, what about P2, guys? P2 matlab linear time invariant non-causal, P2 goes to R3, correct. P2 goes to R3, correct only, shabash. So many students has replied option number D for Delhi, shabash. P3 R4, non-linear time invariant causal, non-linear time invariant causal, shabash, R4, very good. And P4 means non-linear time variant and causal. Okay, so non-linear or linear? Non-linear, guys. So P4 goes to R2. P4 goes to what, guys? R2. R2 means here non-linear, non-causal and time variant. R2 matlab ye wala R2. Ye, shabash. Ye. So this is the only correct answer, guys. This is the only correct answer. Option number D for Delhi is the correct answer. I hope you remember. I hope you guys remember the concept of properties. So the beauty of properties question, what, guys? If you know the simple basic short trick concepts, then there is no calculation at all. If you know the concept, just make a tick mark, just comment on the answer and you will go for the next. Akansha, Vashisht is very good. Ravi, Raj, you all already solved the question. Chalo. Now I am going for the next bacho. It is again a very good question, but if you have attended my classes, this question is easy for you. It is not a signals question now, it is a reasoning question for you if you know the basic concept of convolution. if you know the basic concept of convolution. It is a tough question, I must say, because if you will see the previous year question, they are asking very simple as compared to this. Do you want to solve, guys? Do it fast. Do you want to solve it? Here no options given actually. Here no options given, so you have to reply just like expression wise. Okay, chalo. I know some of you know the concepts. Yes, options are not there, so it is tough to reply in chat box because the equation is also lengthy. But I must say that you can reply the ultimate constant term in e ki power. What is the constant term e ki power that you need to tell me? That you need to tell me. Tell me. Tell me, guys. Tell me. So I think question is with you. You have already checked the question. You have written the question in your notebook, I hope. Completed or not here? Very good, Raj. Very good. जुगाड़ तो करना पड़ेगा. But concept is this: e की power minus at, e की power minus bt upon b minus. Shabash, shabash, shabash. So okay, I'm just recalling this concept, guys. E की power minus at ut convolution with e की power minus bt ut is nothing but e की power minus at minus e की power minus bt upon b minus a and whole bracket ut. At the same time, we are having shifting property also. I hope you remember the shifting property. Yes, sir. Shifting property says that if xt and ht convolution result is yt, then x of t minus t1 convolution h of t minus t2 is nothing but y of t minus t1 minus t2. It means this is called shifting property, guys. This is called shifting property. It means if I will apply the shifting property in this my first expression, then my first expression will get modified. Just like that, e की power minus a into, if I will write like this, t minus t1 into u of t minus t1, okay, I am intentionally writing with white pen, e to the power minus b into t minus t2 and dot u of t minus t2, then the expression will be what, guys? You need to tell. The expression will be what? The ultimate expression will be e की power, bolo bachcha bolo, minus a into, the expression will be t minus t1 minus t2. Yes or no? So it will be t minus t1 minus t2. t1 minus t1 minus t2 e की power minus b into t minus t1 minus t2 upon the denominator is remains same, b minus a, and here is u of t of minus 1 and minus 2. So this is the concept, guys. This is the only concept. This is the last expression. If you are able to design the last expression, you can solve the last question. You can solve the last question. Last question is very nice question. And do you know the gate questions? This is the EC 14 gate question, guys. This is a EC 2014 gate question. If you know this first box, if you know this box, then tell me, student, EC 14 question you can solve or not. EC 14 question is this, guys. xt equal to e की power minus 2t and ht equal to e की power minus 3t, and both signals are t greater than 0, then find out yt. Tell me, guys, how much time you will take to find out yt. This is the EC 14 question, guys. You just need to apply e की power minus 2t, e की power, this is xt, this is impulse response ht. So to calculate yt, you need to perform convol. So e की power minus 2t minus e की power minus 3t upon 3 minus 2, that is 1 only. And because both the signals t greater than 0, so ut only. This is the only answer. Hardly it will take 20. This is a gate question. But why I have made this question for you? Because those students who can solve this question, the gate question will become actually very easy for you. Yes or no? Intentionally I have created a tough question here, guys. This is a tough question. Why tough? Because here signals and system concept involve, apart from that general aptitude also involve here. Yes, the aptitude part is also important. Okay, I am solving the question here. So first question is, if you are looking for the output for a system, then the impulse response and input is given. So you know that the output yt is nothing but input xt convolution with ht. Bolo हाँ या ना? Student, tomorrow also we are having a signals and system continuous gate score booster 2, where we will discuss about the next part like Laplace transform, like discrete time domain analysis, sampling, DFT, DTFT. Okay, we discuss about Z transform, ROC and all questions and all. So if I will write yt, then I will get like this e ki power. I am just opening this bracket, guys. Just open the bracket. So you will get e ki power minus 2t dot. Minus 2 minus 2, it will be 3 to the 6 or not? Plus 3. 3 to the 6 minus minus plus. And you must write here u of t plus 4. Convolution e ki power, it will be minus 3t, e ki power minus 3t dot e ki power minus 3 to the 6. 3 to the 6 minus ke saath 3 to the 6 with having minus sign. And here also you are having u of t minus 3. Now all of you guys do reply fast. Here e ki power plus 6 and here e ki power minus 6 will get cancelled out. Will get cancel out. Yeah. So now here is e ki power minus 2, but this is t plus 4. So you have to create t plus 4 inside the bracket, guys. You have to create t plus 4 inside the bracket. So when you will write t plus 4 here, you must write minus 4 also, because you need to set this. The requirement is e ki power minus 2t only, sir. Intentionally I want to design u t plus 4. Yeah. Because this term and this term already cancel out. So now convolution symbol is here. This is e ki power, not this cancel out, e ki power minus 6 cancel out. This will remain same ना यार, ये same है सर. अरे यार ये क्या हुआ बच्चों, ये ठीक है. e की पावर minus 3t into ये e की पावर plus minus 6 था, ये कट गया सर, minus 6 कट गया ना, convolution लगा दिया, ठीक है. e की पावर minus 3t dot, ये cancel हो गया, minus 3t is still there, so minus 3 into, or inside the bracket we have to create t minus 3, so I am writing also plus 3 into u of t minus 3. Yeah. This is aptitude, guys. This is aptitude, guys. Yes or no? Kansha, volume is low, sir. Yes. Okay. So I just want to speak loudly, guys. Just I think there is a problem in mic. Okay. So just try to manage. E ki power minus 2t plus 4 minus 4. So what it will be? It will be e ki power minus 2 into t plus 4 dot ut plus 4 and dot e ki power 4 to the 8 minus plus 8. So e ki power plus 8. Convolution what it will be? E ki power 3 is 9. So minus 9 and it will be e ki power minus 3 into t minus 3 into u of t minus 3. Now you are eligible to apply the property, guys. But you need to make sure that e ki power plus 8 and e ki power minus 8, so ultimate constant will be e ki power minus 1. Yeah, that I am asking to you. E ki power minus 1, yes or no? E ki power minus 1. Now you can apply the property t plus 4, so plus t1 value also you have, t2 value also you have. So e ki power, you can write the answer, e ki power minus 2 into t plus 4 and minus 3. Plus 4 and minus 3 you will get ultimate plus 1. Minus e ki power minus 3 into t plus 4 minus 3 you will get plus 1 only upon b minus a. B value is 3, a value 2. So 3 minus 2 into u of t plus 1. Yeah. So this will be the final answer, guys. Tell me how many of you getting the answer. How many of you guys getting this exactly? Just do reply honestly. How many of you attempted? If you have attempted, there is a scope that you will get the answer. T plus 1 last expression, sir. Shabbash. E to the power minus 1. क्या बात है यार, Raj got the answer. Shabash Raj. Very nice. Ultimate constant term can be e ki power minus 1, sir. Ultimate constant term will be e ki power minus 1. Shabash. All of you guys do reply fast. Shall we go for next? All of you guys just do reply fast. Shall we go for next? Yes. So if I talk about the convolution, if I want to revise the convolution concept, do you remember, guys, what is UT convolution? UT convolution is, UT is nothing but ramp signal, that is TUT. If I talk about UT convolution with TUT, then what it will be, guys? It will be ramp signal T square by 2 UT. I hope you remember, guys, this. I hope you remember. Yeah. So these are the basics that I think you remember this. If I talk about the convolution of two rectangular pulse having the different time duration T1, here amplitude A1, convolution of two rectangular pulse having different time duration is always a trapezoidal signal, guys. Yeah. When you will make a convolution of this, you will start the limit from 0, T1 plus T2, like that you can start. So this will be, guys, this will be T1, this will be, guys, T2, and this will be T1 plus T2. And the amplitude will be what, guys? The amplitude will be A1, A2 into T1. Yeah. So this is your X1T. This is your X2T. And this is your YT. So YT is nothing but X1T convolution. So convolution of two rectangular pulse having different time duration is always a trapezoidal pulse. But the convolution of two rectangular pulse having same time duration will be always a triangular pulse, and the amplitude will be A1, A2, T. Yes or no? Okay, guys. So let's start the next question. Come on. I think this is very easy question. You can solve in 10 seconds also. Only 10 seconds required to solve this question, I think. Only 10 seconds sufficient to solve this question, I think. But the condition is T1. Yes. In the last, you can see here, but the last, what is the condition, guys? Condition is T2 should be greater than T1. T2 should be greater than T1. It means the time duration of T2 should be greater than T1, then only the T2 is there, T1 is there, of course. So no. Shabash. So next question answer is easy actually. Next question easy. Very easy actually. Rohit and Sai Kishore says D for Delhi. Some students are saying B for Bombay. It's an easy question because many of you already solved the last two questions. That was tough actually as compared to this. This is easy only. B for Bombay, guys. Shabash. Non-linear because of square. Square operation is responsible to make it non-linear. As well as exponential signal, the function of time is multiple of x. It will make the system time variant. So answer is non-linear and time varying, option number Bombay, sir. Yeah. So this is the beauty of concept, guys. If you know the concept, the advantage of the property based questions, there is no formula, there is no calculation. If you know the concept, just tick on the correct answer and you can go for the next. Just do reply fast, guys. Shall we go for next? Shall we go for next, guys? Yes. This is a engineering services. This is a IISc question. How many of you guys can solve this? Do reply. How many of you guys can solve this? Come on. Try to solve it, guys. Try to solve it. Hardly it will take 1 minute if you are very fast to make the diagrams. If you are fast to make the diagram, then you can solve it easily. Yeah. It's very easy because -3 to +3, the signal is having the constant value 2. So from -3 to +3, we don't have any confusion. So -3 to +3, the signal is having the step nature, sir, and the step is having the value +2. Yeah, +2. And after that, this is the line, guys, 5 minus t between 3 to 5. So between 3 to 5, we have a line, we have a straight line which is having the slope minus t. This equation is actually minus t plus 5. So can you understand the straight line equation? Slope into t plus c. C matlab intersection point on y-axis. So it means if I talk about the slope now, the slope is nothing but -1. So if I will make a ramp signal which is having the slope -1, you can make the curve like this. Because the slope is -1, as soon as the 4 value will come, it will reach to the value of +1. And after that, student, just after 5, the signal is 0 otherwise. So this waveform till 5 only, and after that it will be 0 only. And why this plus 5, sir? This plus 5 is what? When you will extend this signal like this, when you will extend this line like this, na guys, it will intersect on the y on plus 5. So that is why this line equation is, minus t plus 5. This is mathematics, guys. This is mathematics. 80/3. क्या बात है यार तरुण. It is the energy or power first of all. It is the energy signal, guys, not power. For the energy signal, power is always 0. And for the power signal, energy is always infinite. At a time, signal either energy or power. It cannot be energy and power at a time. Yes or no? या तो signal energy होगा या तो power होगा. And the signal, if energy, then power is 0, and the signal is power, then energy will be infinite. You know this. You know this. Now here, student, we are having two types of nature. This is rectangular, this is triangular. So for the rectangular plus the a square into मतलब 2 का whole square. A square into b minus 3 से लेके plus 3 6 plus a square by 3 into b मतलब ये 2 का whole square. A square by 3 into b. A square by 3 into b. What is the b? 3 और 5 का distance कितना होता है? 2. What is the answer? 2 का whole square 4. 4 into 6. 6 4 जा 24 plus 2 का whole square 4. 4 2 जा 8/3. So answer will be 26.6667 like this. Or it will be 80/3 also. 80/3 is correct only. 80/3 is correct only. 80/3 is nothing but 26.666. Shabash. Shabash, Raj, Tarun, Rohit. Yes or no? So for this question, this is the energy signal first of all. And because it is an energy signal, its power is always 0. Shall we go for next bacha? Shall we go for next bacha? Ha ya na? Ha ya na? Please do reply fast. Okay. If you are very fast to write the make the curve, student, can you please try to solve this twice into r of t minus 2? Okay. This is the question, guys. Minus twice into r of t, minus twice of r of t minus 4. Minus twice into r of t minus 4. Yeah. Now tell me what is an energy and power, just like yeah, both cannot be placed at one time. Yes or no? Both cannot exist at one time. Yeah, either signal can be energy or power. Yes or no? Okay. Now tell me what is the answer, guys. What is the answer of this question, guys? Twice of. Just tell me this signal is energy or power. Tell me this signal is energy or power. Raj. नहीं बच्चा नहीं. Raj has also student of Priyanka ma'am. So I hope. Yes, very good. Tell me bachcho, tell me. Plus 2 RT minus 2T plus location is 2 here. Location is 2 here. And the location is 4 also here. Yeah. Plus 2 RT minus 2. This signal is energy or power? Come on. E or P? E or P? Yes, Rohit. Come on. Correct. Actually, Raj जो है ना, उसका ध्यान कहीं और है, इसलिए करेक्ट आंसर नहीं बता पा रहा. रोहित got the correct answer first. शाबाश. Power signal, sir. Raj तो power बता भी दी. शाबाश. So 2 RT minus 2, it means you have to make a slope. You have to make a slope here. And the slope is what, guys? 2 to 4. 2 to 4. It means, what is the magnitude? Tell me here. What is the magnitude here? Is it 4? Because we have to maintain the slope 2. So difference in y upon difference in x 2 to 4 2. It's 4/2 plus 2. So this line slope is what? This line slope equal to 2. Yes or no? Now, guys, you have to decrease the slope. Minus 2. Minus 2 into RT minus 4, it means you are having constant line. Yeah. Yeah. Answer is not 2, by the way. Answer is not 2, by the way. Power is not 2. This is a power signal. But answer is not 2. Because you did mistake here, slope. यही तो होता है जल्दी mistake. You cannot afford a calculation mistake in those questions which concept you know very well. So take your time and after reply, guys. Take your time and after reply. Otherwise you will 4 कैसे हुआ ये 4 कैसे हुआ. It's a very good question, guys. 4 कैसे हुआ, sir? Because here 2. Raj, here 2. What 2? 2 defines the slope. You need to maintain the slope 2. This line slope 2. What is slope? Difference in y upon difference in x. Difference in y 4. Difference in x 2 से लेके 4. RT minus 2, RT minus 4. ये 4 upon 2. Then only slope is 2. Oh ho ho. Oh ho ho. Now getting or not? I hope now getting the same. Shabash. Very good. मासूम बन गए. इतने मासूम मत बनो रे. चलो. So answer is, now student, I hope you remember the short trick I have given to you. Whenever the signal is having the constant value now, it is a power signal because it is the infinite duration signal. Its duration is infinite and having the constant magnitude, that is 4. So answer is 4 square by 2. A square by 2, 4 square. So answer will be P matlab 16 by 2. So answer P matlab 8 only. How many of you got the answer 8? How many of you guys getting the answer 8? Yes or no? All of you guys, please do reply fast. Shall we go for next? Shall we go for next, guys? Yes. Okay. Now, I also want to ask a simple question to you guys. I hope you know this concept. I hope you know this concepts also. Now, tell me, can you find the energy of this signal? Just try to attempt at least. Just try to attempt, okay? So, we are having a yeah. Tell me guys, how can you solve this? How can you solve this such type of question? Come on. So, this is actually easy question actually. I just want to create little bit different question, okay? Okay. I just want to make a temple. Yeah. Find out the energy, guys. Find out the energy. Come on. क्या बात है राज, शाबाश. Here is a scope of mistake, guys. Here is a scope of mistake. Many students will do the mistake here. शाबाश. आपके मन को पढ़ लिया सर. रुपेश कुमार, शाबाश. वेलकम वेलकम रुपेश. लॉयन आर्मी, यस और नो? एक बार दहाड़ के बता दो यार. काहे पड़े हो चक्कर में, कोई नहीं है टक्कर में. For the unmatchable learning of control signal digital, there is only one solution in India. दहाड़ के बता दिया करो अंकुर सर, हमारे अंकुर सर. यस और नो? और कोई ज्यादा बोले तो बोल दिया करो बच्चों, काहे पड़े हो चक्कर में, कोई नहीं है टक्कर में. यस और नो? चलो आ जाओ, बताओ जरा यहाँ. पावर. First of all, it is a even signal, guys. It is a even signal. So you should not calculate this part. You can calculate this part also, and you can multiply with 2 also. It's a loyal army, Rupesh. Yes or no? Shabash. So if I want to calculate the energy, then can I apply the formula like 0 to t into x whole square t mod of dt? Yes or no? So now, student, it means twice into. I need to check this part. I need to check this part. So this is a triangular nature, sir, and this can be a rectangular pulse. Yes. So if I will denote this signal as a first signal, and if I will denote this signal as a second signal, first or second. Now, what is the energy? So first of all, I need to write here, sir, if you want to calculate, then you should write energy of first signal, energy of second signal, plus twice into area of. This is important. Twice into area of first into second. Twice into area of this part. Many students will miss this part. Many students now will miss this part. This is the most important part. So now tell me what is the answer of this question. The answer of this question is twice into E1. What is E1? This is E1. So A square into B. A square into B is 2 का whole square. 4 to 8. 4 to 8 plus 2 का whole square 4, 4 to the 8. Come on, guess. What is the energy of this triangular? A square by 3 into B. A square, but what is A? 2 और 4 का difference 2 होता है. A square मतलब 2 का whole square. A square by 3 into B. B मतलब 0 से लेके 2 ये. What is twice into area of? Twice into area of 1 into 2. What is the area of 1 into 2? If you will multiply this one signal to this signal, what you will get? What is the first signal, guys? If I will tell about the first signal now, then the first signal will be 0 to 2. The first signal will be 0 to 2 and having the amplitude 2. This is the first signal, guys. This is the first signal. And if I talk about the second signal, then second signal can be a triangular nature. The second signal can be a triangular nature, which is having the distance 0 to 2. 0 to 2 and having the height also 2. 0 to 2 having height also 2. 2 से 4 2. Yeah. So this is first, this is second. And when you will multiply these two signals, what you will get? When you will multiply these two signals, you will get it ultimate nature triangular only, width also 2 only, but the amplitude is 2 to the 4. So this is 1 into 2, this is 1 into 2. Anyone who got the correct answer, final answer, tell me. Anyone who got the full, ये formula कहाँ से आया? रुपेश, ये formula कहाँ से आया? Very good question यार, very good question. ये formula आया energy के formula से. What is the energy formula? Energy formula minus infinity to infinity mode of xt or square dt. But here is a combination. This is the first signal. This is the second signal. So when you will apply the formula of energy first plus second ka whole square, so what you will get? First plus second ka whole square. So what you will get? First square plus second square plus twice of first into second. So first square will be the energy of 1. Second square will be energy of 2. And twice into area of 1 into 2. Rupesh, yes or no? Twice into क्यों किया? Because this is a combination of two signals. And if it is a combination of x1 plus x2, then in the energy formula actually we have a whole square. So x1 plus x2 का whole square. So that is why a square plus b square plus 2ab higher ना? What is the area of? This is 1 into, what is the area of this? Area is nothing but, so I must write twice into area. What is the area, guys? Area क्या होता है? What is the area of triangle? What is the area of triangle? Half into AB. Half into AB. What is A? Height. What is B? Width. Yeah. So I think ultimate answer expression will be twice into, this is 8 plus 2 का whole square 4. 4 to the 8 by 3. 8 plus 2 का whole square 4 to the 8 by 3 and plus what, guys? This 2 and 2 get cancelled out now. So again 4 to the 8. Just solve it, you will get the answer, guys. Just solve it. What is the ultimate answer? 8 plus is 16. 16 3 ja. So is it twice into 56 by 3? Just let me know, guys. Is it the correct answer or not? Tell me. Haya na? Just calculate it, guys. 8 plus 8, 16 3 ja. 48 plus 8, 56 by 3 into 2. So it will be 112 by 3. Yes or no? Rupesh, haya na? Rupesh, Raj, all of you do reply fast. All of you guys do reply fast. Haya na? Yes, sir. Shabash. Bolo bacha bolo. Shall we go for next? NOW. Why we have multiplied? 37. It is 112 by 3 only. Correct. Shabash. Very good. Now I am going for the next, guys. I am going for the next. Okay. Come on, guys. Tell me what is the answer of this? Come on. What is the answer of this? How many of you remember the area energy of this in discrete part? A की power un area. What is the energy of this? Energy is nothing but 1 upon 1 minus a square. Area energy will be only come when a is less than 1. If I talk about a की power n into un, and if mode of a is greater than 1, then it is a NENP signal, because it is an unbounded signal. In this case, because it is unbounded. Because in this case it is unbounded. Yeah. So this is the 2 से ज़्यादा कर्व अगर एडिशन में है, then we have to take x1 plus x2 plus x3 का whole square. Because in the energy signal we are having the formula whole square beta. However, in the gate one time this concept has been asked of x1 plus x2 का whole square by using the Parseval theorem in the Fourier transform. Yeah, Raj, shabash, 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 twice upon a plus b. The last term is most important. Yes. The last term is most important. Yes. All of you guys just do reply fast. Shall we go for next or not? It's twice upon 1 minus AB. Yes or no? Not twice upon A plus B. Beta. Ye wrong hai. Twice upon A plus B is wrong. So the answer is what? If you have it two signals like this A ki power n un, then what is the answer? Okay, now some students are thinking say twice of AB kahan se aa raha hai? So Rupesh, if my question is this, then tell me beta what is the energy of this? A ki power n un plus B ki power n un. I will just apply the simple formula and you will get the expression. Yeah. If this is a signal, then tell me what is the energy of this? The energy formula is nothing but sigma of n tends to minus infinity to infinity mod of xn whole square. This is the energy formula, guys. This is the energy formula. Yeah. So if you will apply the energy formula, what you will get? You need to apply sigma of n tends to minus infinity to infinity mod of xn whole square. It means what, guys? A ki power n plus B ki power n ka whole square. Yeah. Then what you will get exactly? You will get sigma of, because of un the lower limit can be, we can make it 0. So it will be n equal to 0 to infinity. It will be a square n. So a square n plus it will be sigma of n equal to 0 to infinity b square n and plus. Tell me guys, a square plus b square plus twice ab na? Twice ab, yes or no? So it will be sigma of n equal to 0 to infinity twice of ab ki power n. Twice of ab ki power n. हाँ ना? ये. I am in Bangalore, Rupesh. I am in Bangalore right now. Right now I am in Bangalore. I hope you all know that. IMS GATE Academy has a head office in Bangalore. I am handling here the GATE department, my dear student. From the last 1 year, I am here in Bangalore. Yes. Tell me what is the answer of this now. When you apply this, you will get 1 upon 1 minus a square. Plus you will get 1 upon 1 minus b square. Plus you will get twice upon 1 minus ab. Yeah, this is the expression. Raj, I think you have confused in continuous time and discrete time expression. This is the final answer. 1 upon 1 minus a square, 1 upon 1 minus b square, twice upon 1 minus ab. Yeah. Twice upon 1 minus ab, not twice upon a plus b. Raj. Sir, Anaira kaisi hai? Anaira is good, Rupesh. Anaira is very good. Anaira is just about to reach 7 years now on 13th of January. Anaira and Arjun, both are good. Chalo. I hope you know all. Chalo bachcho, shall we go for next now? NOW. Do reply fast. NOW. 1 upon 1 minus a square, 1 upon 1 minus b square, twice upon 1 minus ab. Yeah. Now tell me what is the answer of this. Come on guys, what is the answer of this first expression? Student, if such question will come, many students in India will do the mistake. I am telling you. Many students will do mistake here. Mil chuka hai. Yes. Many time in the live classes also earlier Anaira came and say hi to all the students. Yes. So here 1 upon 1 minus a square, answer is what, guys? Come on. What is the answer of this? So for this particular question, 1 upon 1 minus a square, it means 1 upon 1 minus 9 plus 1 upon 1 minus 1 upon 25 and plus twice upon 1 minus ab. Twice upon 1 minus ab, but the condition is a and b both should be less than 1. Both should be less than 1. Yes or no? Shabash Raj, very good. So twice upon 1 minus ab का मतलब क्या हो गया ये? ab का मतलब हो गया 1 by 3 into 1 by 5. 1 by 3 into 1 by 5. Yeah. So just tell me what is the answer now. The answer will be 9 minus 1, so it will be 9 by 8. 9 by 8 plus it will be 25 upon 25 minus 1, 24. Yeah. What it will be, guys? 5 to the 15, so 1 minus 1 by 15. So when take the LCM, 15 to the 30. 30 upon 14, is it clear? So this will be the answer, guys. You can calculate and you will get the same. You can calculate it and I think you will get the same. All of you just do reply fast now. Shall we go for next? All of you guys just do reply fast. Next or not? Next. Come on, what is the answer of this? What is the answer? This is very easy question, guys. You can directly reply. You can directly reply in chat box. You guys can directly reply in chat box for this. Tell me what is the answer of this question. ऐसे वाला ही आकांक्षा बिल्कुल बता देते हैं. बिल्कुल आकांक्षा ये लो. Continuous time energy formula भी ये रहा. E की power minus AT into UT plus E की power minus BT into UT. If the energy will ask, then answer is 1 upon twice A plus 1 upon twice B plus twice upon A plus B. ये Raj here actually twice upon A plus B. Actually Raj has merged this continuous time concept with discrete time. I think Raj, you have identified your mistake. Raj, very good, very good. And sometime here between minus sign also, if the minus sign will come now, then A square plus B square as it is, the here is minus, here it will be minus twice. Come on guys, yes or no? Yeah. So this is the CT concept, this is the continuous time signal, continuous time. And this is the DT concept, this is, where is it is, where it is guys, here is, this is the expression for DT signal. You should know this CT DT, yeah, na? Thank you sir, oh welcome, welcome Akansh. So here is, I think we are here, A ki power and UN, this is also short trick I have given to you, many short trick we have. If you will apply the formula also you will get the answer, but short trick will allow you to solve the question within fraction of seconds guys. So answer is 1 upon 1 minus A whole square. 1 by A ka matlab 1 by 25. Yeah. So answer is nothing but 25 upon 24. Yeah. 25 upon, correct answer. 1 upon 1 minus 1 by 4. Yeah. 20, correct answer. Raj, correct only. Shabash. Nice explanation. Very good, Pragya. Thank you. All of you guys, please do reply fast. Shall we go for next or not? Yes or no? All of you just let me know N or W. N stands for next, W stands for wait. I think you already completed this. I think you guys already completed this. Now I am going for the next. Now I think we are going, I think this question you already completed guys. Yeah. Completed. Now tell me what is the answer of this. Come on. Many waveforms are there. Many waveforms are there here. And if you have attended my classes, you can solve this question within 1 minute. Within 50 seconds, you can solve this. I think 50 seconds more than sufficient. I think 50 seconds more than sufficient for this question. Come on. What is the answer? You have to make the curve. You have to make the curve for this. Yeah. Alright. The first location is what? -2. So we have to start the curve from -2. The slope is +2 guys. We have to maintain the slope +2. So when you will maintain the slope +2 now, what is the intersection point here? The 4. The amplitude is 4. Why? Because you have to maintain the slope +2. So difference in y, difference in x. So this is 2 slope. So what is the slope of this signal? This line slope is 2. Now -2 RT -2. It means this line will be remain as it is. This line will be remain like this only. At which location, guys? There will be change at the +2 location. From +2 to -2, still will be remain as it is. Aaya na? Yeah. So now, don't you think it will be the nature of, what, guys? Tell me. So -2 r of t minus 2, it means whatever the slope here we have added, now we need to compensate the line we having straight line. Now we are looking for the next location. The next location is -5. So as soon as the next location will come, there will be again contribution of, this is the -5 inside the bracket, it means location is +5. Now again -2 slope, it means you have to create a decreasing line, and this time the slope need to maintain -2. It means if you are at 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 like that. Right now, what is the amplitude of the amplitude is nothing but 8 only. Why? Because 8 upon 4, 2. So as soon as when you will come to 6 now, when you will come to 6 here, 5, 6. So you will come to 6 value. You will come to 6. This value is nothing but 6 value. Now when you will come to 7, you will reach at 4 value. This is 6 value. This is 4 value. Higher na? When you will come to 6, 7, 8, then you will come to 2 value. You will come to 2 value. And when you will come to 9, you will come to 0. You will come to 0. And after that, we having the plus slope, so it means it is 0 plus 2. Yeah. So this is the nature, and this nature is nothing but the trapezoidal curve, guys. Trapezoidal nature, ha ya na? Yeah. Trapezoidal nature. Signal is trapezoidal, yes. And in this trapezoidal curve, if you want to find out the energy, it is not a power signal. So what is the energy of first signal? This is the first signal, this is the second signal, and this is the third signal. Now tell me what is the energy of first signal, guys? A square by 3 into B. What is A square? 8 whole square. A square by 3 into B. A square मतलब 8 whole square. A square by 3 into B मतलब -2 से लेके +2 मतलब 4. ये this rectangular pulse is nothing but 8 square. A square into B. 8 whole square into 3. A square मतलब 8 square. 8 square. A square into B. A square into B, 2 और 5 का distance 3. Again A square by 3, it means again 8 square by 3 into B, 5 to 9 का distance 4. So now what will be the final answer, guys? 8 का whole square 64 into 4. So 64 into 4 by 3 plus here 64 into 3 and plus again the same 64 into 4 by 3. So just need to add this, you will get the answer. When you will add this, you can calculate. You can cross check. You are getting the same or not? You are getting the same or not? Raj or Rohit, I think you are getting same. Raj or Rohit, I think you both getting the same. I think you guys both got the same answer. Shabash, shabash, shabash. Chalo. Now going for the next. Come on, this is good question. Tell me for this how to solve. Given input of the system, this is the xt input signal, guys. This is the input signal, xt. Okay, input signal. And impulse response ht here. I will typing error here, ht. Impulse response ht is shown in the figure. ht is shown in the figure. Then the output of the system yt and the value of this area of yt पूछा है. Examiner, first of all, you have to draw the yt and after that you need to find the area of yt. Do you want to solve this, guys? How many of you want to solve this? Tell me. I am just giving you hint. Yt is nothing but xt convolution with ht. Because impulse response is given and xt input is also given. So you need to perform convolution. And convolution with del, it means we have an advantage here. You can apply the property directly. Directly property we are having. Just try to solve this question, guys. Just try to solve the shifting property. Very good, Sai Kishore. Kya baat hai yaar? Very good. I just want to recall some properties. So if I will xt convolution with del t is nothing but xt. At the same time, if I will write here xt convolution with del of t minus t1, it means whatever is here that will shift at t. The answer will be x of t minus t1. If here is plus sign, now here is also plus sign, same only. At the same time, if I will talk about xt convolution with del of a into t minus t1, then it will be what, guys? You have to take a outside the bracket. So it will be actually 1 by a into x of t convolution with del of t minus t1 by a. So I am solving this expression, last expression. This is the solution. So 1 by a is outside the bracket. Now we are eligible. This at we cannot not directly shift. We have to solve first of all at. So now it is in solvable form. Now it is simplified form. Now you can directly write x of t minus t1 by a. Like this expression we are having. If here is plus minus, if here is plus minus, then here is also plus minus. So these are the simple impulse properties with convolution. Yes or no? If x 80, then no problem. Here whatever the x 80 value, guys, x of 80 and del of the, we have one more property. I hope you remember. I hope you remember this property also. If xt convolution with ht is nothing but yt, then do you know what is x of 80 convolution with h of 80 is nothing but 1 upon a y of 80. This is again a scaling property in convolution that you can use that time. Yes or no, Raj? Like that. Now tell me what is the answer of this. Here, if I will write this expression yt, then it will be what, guys? Yt equal to xt is here. I must write the xt value first of all. Xt value will be del t minus twice of del t minus 1, twice of del t minus 1, आगे और भी है सर, twice of del t minus 1, plus del t minus 2, plus del of t minus 2, ये del t minus twice of del t minus 1 and plus del t minus 2, and you have to convolve it with h of t. H of t is here. You have to convolve it with ht. Now here you can use the distribution theorem, guys. Distribution property you can use. You can use the distribution property. Yes, sir, Raj. Yes, very good, Raj. Just share the session, guys. Tell me what is the answer. ht convolution with del t is nothing but h of t minus twice into h of t minus 1 and again plus h of t minus 2. I hope this part is clear to you, guys. I hope this part is clear to you. So now you should reply as a yt. Guys. What is yt? H of t minus twice of ht minus 1 and ht minus 2. You have ht curve. Now tell me first of all, if I will draw the curve, here, I need to add both the signals. Now I have to add all the signals. So what I will do, I will make a curve here for you. I will make 3 curves here, okay. This is ht, I will draw here ht. After that, here also I will draw something and here also I will draw something. And I will make the final conclusion here. Okay. Final conclusion, final diagram I will make here. Whatever the final diagram after addition, subtraction, and all, I will make here. Yes. So what is ht? Ht is nothing but 0 to 1, 1 and 1 to 2, 2. Okay. So this is ht. I am making here ht. 0 to 1 and 2. So 0 to 1 it is what? 0 to 1 it is 1 na? 1 on 2. So 0 to 1 it is having 1 value and again 2 value. It is like this we are having. ht. Now what is requirement ht, and here is ht minus 1 also. ht minus 1. Okay. So if this is ht, what is this ht minus 1, guys? ht minus 1, it means we have to perform right side shift. Right side shift. But one distance. By one distance. It means it is 1, it is 2, and it will be what, guys, next? It will be 3 next. So answer will be ye like this. Ye ht minus 1. And what about ht minus 2? So it will be shift by 4. So it is 2, 3 and 4. So for 2, like this we are having. Yeah. Now you need to check, guys. Here is 2, sir. Here is 2. Here is 3, sir, actually. I have less space here. So 2, 3, actually I must write like this. 2, 3 and 4 is here actually. ये 2, 3 पे ऐसा है और फिर 4 पे ऐसा होगा ना. Location you need to check. Yes. So HT minus 2 into HT minus 1. It means what, guys? You have to check that this is HT minus 1, this is HT minus 2. Yeah. And HT minus we have to way to add. We have to add this. Yes or no? So HT minus twice of H2 minus 1. If I will make this signal minus HT, I can make the time reversal also here. I can make time reversal. Is it visible or not? I think this curve is not visible to you, I think. Okay. I will make the curve here also, guys. I will make the curve here also. I think it is not visible to you. I think it is not visible to you. So I am making the curve here. Okay. I am making the curve, neat and clean curve here. No problem. Now you will see exact curve here. Now you will see the exact curve here. Okay. Yeah. First curve 0, 1, 2. First curve is 0, 1 and 2. Yeah. So this is 1, this is 2, this is HT. Now next curve is required minus 2 HT minus 1. Okay. So what I will do now, I will shift also, guys, here 1, 2, 3, and what I will do, I will perform amplitude shifting or amplitude scaling also. Amplitude scaling with minus 2, sir. Amplitude scaling with minus 2. It means here is minus 2, here is minus 4. Yeah. So this is the curve of minus 2 into H of t minus 1. This is the curve of this. Minus 2 into H of t minus 1. This is the curve. And what about the last term? The last term is HT minus 2. The last term is HT minus 2. So here is H of t minus 2. But what is the location, guys? This location is 1. This location is 2. This location is 3. So next 2, 3, 4 actually. 2, 3, 4. So from 2, 3 like this. So 2, 3, 4. Here is 1. Here is 2. Now you can add. Now you can add and you will get the final curve, guys. And whatever the final curve you will get YT, you need to calculate its area. You need to calculate its area. Can you calculate the area, guys? Do it fast. Do it fast and tell me what. Come on. From 0, 7. 0, 7 यहाँ पे 1 है, यहाँ पे भी 1, यहाँ 1 plus 0 plus 0, 1 only. So from 0 to 1 we don't have any problem. From 0 to 1 the signal will carry plus 1 value. हाँ या ना? Yes or no? Now what between 1 to 2? 1 to 2 here is plus 2, okay. 1 to 2 here is minus 2, 2 minus 2 0 हो गया sir. And here also 1 to 2 is what? 1 to 2 0 only, yeah. 1 to 2 0 only. So 2 minus 2 0 का मतलब 1 से लेके 2 में 0 value, 1 से लेके 2 में 0 value sir. What about 2 to 3? 2 to 3 here 0, 2 to 3 here value 0. And what is 2 to 3 here value? 2 to 3 here value is what? Minus 4. And 2 to 3 here is what? Plus 1. 2 to 3 minus 4 plus 1 minus 3. So ultimate it will be minus 3. Ultimate it will be minus 3. Between 2 to 3. Between 2 to 3. Yeah. Now 3 to 4 here 0. 3 to 4 here 0. And 3 to 4 here plus 2. So what is 0 plus 0 plus 2? Plus 2 only. So it means here you will get plus 2. Between 3 to 4 plus 2. How many of you guys getting the same, guys? Tell me yes or no. Yeah. Are you guys getting this YT waveform? Are you all guys getting this YT waveform? Area 0 आ रहा है सर. रोहित, क्या बात है यार. Very nice. शाबाश. So now you need to tell me what is the area of this. If you wish to calculate the area, you need to just calculate the area. Area can be negative also. Area can be positive also. What is the area for the first signal? 1 into 1, 1. What is the area of this? Area will be minus 3 into this 1 plus minus 3 into 1 minus 3 only and 2 into 1. So area will be 2 plus 1, 3 minus 3, 0. Area of this signal is 0. Correct answer for this is 0, guys. Correct answer for this question is 0. Correct answer for this question is 0. Yeah. Area. Examiner area asking for, so numerically entry question answer is 0 only. Yeah. All of you just do reply fast. Shall we go for next? Signal compression. Sai Kishori, signal come 7 minus 3t. I will take example. Sai, no problem. First of all, tell me this question is completed or not. First of all, bachcho, tell me this question is completed or not. I am taking one Sai Kishori is asking for something x of. However, we have to solve the next question, but we'll take this example in 2 minutes and after that we'll go for next. So x of 7 minus 3t, asking for x of 7 minus 3t. Okay. So if I want to perform this, guys, and if let me take my xt signal is this. If my xt signal is this, all of you do reply. This is my xt signal from 0 to 2 and this is magnitude 1. This is my xt signal. This is my xt signal. And if I want to perform this, then tell me how many operations are involved here. Can I write this? It is actually nothing but minus 3t plus 7. So I must write like this, minus 3t plus 7. Now, student, whenever in any single expression, if all the 3 operations are involved, here shifting, scaling and reversal all are involved. So whenever in any one expression, if 3 operations are involved, then you have to travel from right to left. You have to travel from right to left, and whatever is operation coming first, you need to perform it. So you can solve in the first expression, you need to write plus 7. So you need to make the xt plus 7. Do you know xt plus 7 matlab because of plus 7 we have left side shift, sir. Left side shift. It means this is the xt curve, na, sir. If this is the xt curve, then what is xt plus 7? What is xt plus 7? We have to shift this signal 7 distance in the left hand side. So 0 will be what, guys? Minus 7 and 2 will be what, guys? Minus 5. And the nature of the signal is this only. And the magnitude is 1 only. So this is the first step. Sai Kishore, Ayana. First step, xt plus 7 completed. Now the 3t, scaling. Scaling, it means if I perform this, if I will perform scaling means we have to divide. We have to divide in the time domain, guys. So if I will make the curve x of 3t plus 7, and it will be what? It will be minus 7 by 3 and it will be minus 5 by 3. Still the magnitude is 1. Yeah. With the amplitude t. So x of 3t plus 7, you have to divide by 3, like this. And ultimately, final, we are having reversal. The third expression, we are having reversal. It means what, guys? Reversal. So finally, when you will perform the reversal, you will get this, guys. You will get this plus 5 by 3 and you will again get by plus 7 by 3. And this is the magnitude 1. So 5 by 3, 7 by 3, 1. So this is nothing but your final expression, and this final expression is nothing but, guys, x of minus 3t plus 7. All of you guys just do reply fast. Is it completed or not? Yeah. Sai Kishore, I hope you are getting now. Yes or no? Signal compression, Lex. So this is the final curve, 5 by 3 to 7 by 3. Yeah. So here shifting involved, scaling involved and reversal involved. Yeah. Chalo fir. Now I am going for next, guys. Yeah. Tell me what about this? Is it the energy or power first of all? It is a energy signal or power signal? I am expecting answer from you. Yes. Come on, guys. Come on, share it. So, come on, Raj. What is the answer of this? Power. Raj saying power. Okay. Sai Kishore said it is energy. Okay. Come on. It is energy or power, guys. Energy or power. So cos of 2 pi t ut, this is ut and ut minus 2, ut and ut, this is multiplied, ut and ut minus 2 is a multiple of this, ut and ut minus 2 is a multiple of this cos of 2 pi t. Now student, tell me first of all, can you make the curve of cos 2 pi t first of all? Can you please make the curve of? So I am making the curve of cos 2 pi t, okay? I am making the curve of cos 2 pi t. And I am also making the curve of this ut into ut minus 2. First of all, tell me student, what do you mean by ut and ut minus 2? Okay. So if I will make a ut curve here, if I will make a ut curve here. Voice is clear or not, guys? Voice is clear or not, Bharat? Voice is clear or not, Raj? ut. It means this is ut, guys. This is ut. This is your ut. 1. And what about u of 2 minus t? This is also trick I told you. Minus t, it means coming from minus infinity and minus infinity to plus 2a. So this is what u of minus t plus 2. U of minus t plus 2, yeah, ut, this is u of minus t plus 2 and ut, yes. So when you will multiply it, guys, what you will get? When you will multiply it, guys, what you will get? When you will multiply na, after 0, before 0, 0, after 2, 0. So 0 to 2 you will get, na? You will get 0 to 2. You will get 0 to 2. And the magnitude will be what, guys? 1, 1. So here is also 1. So here the answer is ut dot u of minus t plus 2. Ut into u of minus t plus 2. Yeah. All of you guys do reply fast. Is it clear or not? U of t into u of minus t plus 2 is a rectangular pulse from 0 to 2, 1. Yeah. Signal not everywhere. Shabash. So now student, because the signal is energy signal, so I am writing here, I am writing this is the curve ut minus 2. And what about the cos 2 pi t curve? Do you know the cos curve? Do you know the cos curve, guys? This is the cos curve. Yeah. And the fundamental time period is what, guys? The fundamental time period is nothing but t equal to 2 pi upon omega 0. And do you know what is omega 0? Cos of omega 0 t. So omega 0 value is nothing but 2 pi here. So when you will write 2 pi, 2 pi, 2 pi get cancelled out. So you will get fundamental time 1. And it means fundamental time 1, it means this time period is 1. This time period is 2. This time period is 3, like this. And if I will 0 to 2, if I will multiply this signal with 0 to 2, 0 to 2 is having 1, otherwise 0. So before 0, the signal will be 0 into 0, 0. And after 2, the signal also will become 0, because this signal, because this is the curve of cos of 2 pi t. I have to multiply this cos 2 pi t with this expression. So these two curves, this is the first curve and this is the second curve, I need to multiply. When you will multiply these two curves now, you will get a cos nature from 0 to 2. You will get a cos nature, here is 1. You will get a cos nature from 0 to 2. Yeah. So this is your xt, guys, this is your xt, and it is 100% energy signal. It is 100% energy, not power. Why? Because however we have a oscillation, but finite oscillation, guys, finite oscillation. Now how many of you remember the trick of energy? If we have a one lobe, if we have a one pure lobe, sinusoidal lobe, 0 to b have width and a is the amplitude, then its energy will be what? Then its energy is nothing but a square by 2 into b. A square by 2 into b. Yeah. So now you need to count how many lobe we are having perfectly. So perfect lobe, first lobe, second lobe, third, and this is half, so fourth. This is also fourth, this is also fourth. Both will become 4. So total 4 loop we are having, and the amplitude is 1 only. Amplitude is 1, and what about the width? What about the width, guys? Tell me. Don't you think it is 1 by 4? And don't you think it is 3 by 4? So the width is nothing but half. Width is nothing but half only. Half. So it means I must go for directly energy. Energy should be the multiple of 4 first of all because of 4 lobe. And 1 lobe formula is a square upon 2 into b. A square मतलब 1 whole square. A square मतलब 1 whole square upon 2 into b. What is b? B itself means half. B itself means half. Yeah. Don't you think, guys, the answer will be 2 to the 4, 4 get cancelled out, answer will be 1. Its answer is 1 only. For this question, correct answer is 1 only. Hi, Anna. Rohit. Rohit, yes or no? It's very good question, sir. Shabash, shabash, shabash. Raj. Confusing question it is. Confusing question. Tell me, guys, tell me. Rohit, shall we go for next now? All of you, please do reply. Shall we go for next now? A signal is described by P rectangular of T and Q rectangular of T minus half. Then signal energy is what? It's a common question, easy question also. Do you know rectangular difference? Do you know rectangular means what? A rectangular of T. Oh, ho, ho. Do you know, guys, A rectangular of, I'm just taking a space here, I'm writing here, A rectangular of T by 2. So if you will draw the curve of this, you will get a curve like this. It is a rectangular pulse, from minus tau by 2 to plus tau by 2, and the amplitude will be A. Here. So it will be tau. Minus tau by 2 to plus tau by 2A, minus tau by 2 to plus tau by 2A. So this is your A and this is your x of t. Rectangular. Similarly, guys, if I will make curve here, I must draw one line here. So I am making a line. I will make both the curve one by one so that we can add easily. So here I am writing a curve, guys, P into rectangular of T. P into rectangular of T, it means we are having a rectangular pulse which is having the duration from minus half to plus half, but the magnitude is P. Do you guys agree with me? Hi, Anna. Similarly, Q rectangular of T minus 0.5. If I talk about the next curve here, that is rectangular of T minus half, T minus 0.5. It means this signal we need to shift. This signal we need to shift half distance right hand side. So 0, half, 1. So it will be half, it will be 1, and it will be Q, PQ. So it will be nothing but rectangular. This is RECT rectangular of Q magnitude. Yeah. So if you will add these two signal, guys, what you will get? If you will add these two signal, tell me what you will get. So from minus half to 0. From minus half to 0, the signal value is P. So minus half to 0, the signal value is P. And from 0 to half, it is P and Q. So from 0 to half, it is P plus Q. Yeah. And after that, guys, Q, and here is 0. Here is 0, half 7. So here is also Q. Here is also Q. Now examiner is asking for the energy of this. Tell me what is the energy of this, guys. Very easy question, guys. Tell me what is the energy? A plus B ka whole square. Yes or no? P plus Q ka whole square. So energy for the first signal. This is the energy of first. This is second. This is third. So if I will write the energy completely, then I must write here energy matlab P square into half. So I am writing here is P square by 2, A square by 2. A square into this distance half. This time P plus Q ka whole square. P plus Q ka whole square upon into half. A square into B. B matlab half. And here is actually Q square by 2. Just solve it, you will get the answer, guys. So when you will solve now, you will get exactly p square by 2 plus a plus b ka whole square. So p square plus q square plus twice pq upon 2. Upon 2, so I am writing divide by 2 in all. Upon 2 and plus again q square by 2. So now tell me guys, what is the final answer? A plus b ka whole square na, a plus b ka a square plus b square plus twice ab ye. Don't you think p square by 2 मिलके क्या बनाया p square, q square by 2 मिलके क्या बनाया q square, and 2 get cancel out, so answer pq. Correct answer is p square plus q square plus pq. Is it clear to you guys? All of you do reply fast. Correct answer is p square plus q square plus pq. Is it clear, Bharat? Is it clear, Rohit? Raj, Rohit, हाँ या ना? Sai Kishore. Shabash, shabash, shabash. Very good, Sai Kishore, beta, very good. So I think now you already got the answer. Now I am going for the next. Just do reply. NOW bachcho, just do reply next. I think you already completed this. Yes. Now go for this question, guys. Go for this question and tell me what is the answer of this. It is a good question. I am expecting answer from you here this time. I have solved many questions, but this is a small, this is easy concept actually. This is the concept of fundamental time period. This is the concept of fundamental time period, and here simple trigonometry is required. Here simple trigonometry is required. You all guys solve it fast. All of you guys just do reply. Shall we go for next? Are you solving this question, Rohit, Raj or Sai Kishore? Okay, one more thing. Tell me, guys, this screen is perfectly visible if you are using blue background. It's clear now. Instead of white background, if you are using blue background, it is perfectly clear. I think perfectly visible. Okay. So first of all, you should know that the addition of DC term will not affect the periodicity of signal. It means here is the addition of DC plus 15. Signal is periodic only, but now you have to apply here formula. What is 2 sin cos? What is 2 sin cos that you need to identify? 2 sin A cos B. 2 sin A cos B, guys. 2 sin A cos B. 2 sin A cos B. Sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. 2 cos A sin B. Sin A plus B minus sin A minus, like this. 2 cos A cos B. 2 cos A cos B. Cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. And 2 sin A sin B. Cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. Yes or no? Simple 11th formula. So if I will solve this question here only, then you must write here xt equal to 15 is as it is. And student, here I am using one step. Here I am multiplying with 2 and divide with 2. Multiply with 2 and divide with 2. Yeah. So 2 sin cos, 2 sin A cos B. So what it will be? 15 plus half is as it is. 15 plus half. 2 sin A cos B, it means what? 2 sin A cos B, nothing but sin A plus B. Sin A plus B का मतलब बच्चों pi plus 3 plus pi by 6. Pi by 3, pi by 6 into t. Sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. A minus B, it means pi by 3 minus pi by 6 into t. Yes. So your ultimate xt expression will be what? Your ultimate xt expression will be 15 plus half. Tell me, bachcho, tell me what you will get sin of. When you will take LCM here, what you will get? 6 is the LCM, sir. So 3 pi by 3 and pi by 3. 3 2 ja 6. 3 2 ja 6. So 2 plus 3, 3 pi by 6. So don't you think it's pi by 2? Don't you think it's pi by 2 too? Yes or no? because 3 to the 6, 2 pi plus 1, 3 pi by 6. So 3 to the 6, so pi by 2, yes or no? Ultimately, it should be pi by 2. Why? Because pi by 3, 1 by 3, 0 0.33. So no, 0 0.33 and 1 by 6 also there. Pi by 3, if I talk about the pi by 3, then 180 by 3, it will be what guys? 60 and 30, 90, so pi by 2 into t. And here is what? Here pi by 60 minus 30, so pi by 6 it is, pi by 6 into t. Now you can identify T1, T2 value guys. Now you need to identify what is T1 value. So T1 value is nothing but 2 pi upon omega 0. Omega 0 is nothing but pi by 2. What about T2 bacha? T2 is nothing but 2 pi upon omega 0. What is omega 0? Pi by 6. So what is the ultimate T1 student? Ultimate T1 will be pi get cancelled out. So 2 to the 4. 2 to the 4. And what about T2 pair bacho? T2 is what? Pi again can cancel out. 6 to the 12. So T1 value is 4 and T2 value is 12. T1 value 4, T2 value 12. Yes. Now examiner is asking for the fundamental time period. So what is the fundamental time period for this? We must write here T is nothing but LCM of T1, T2. Bolo हाँ या ना भाई? T is equal to LCM of 4 and 12. So LCM of 4 and 12 is nothing but 12 only. So fundamental time period for the XT is 12. Fundamental time period for XT is 12. But examiner is asking for the fundamental time period of YT, not XT, YT. If XT has a fundamental time period 12, then X of minus T plus 2 is also having the fundamental time period 12. So its fundamental time period is 12 only. Yeah. And its fundamental time period is what? Fundamental time period is divide by, because the scaling factor we have to divide, so 12 by 2. So it is 6. So actually it is working as in T1 now 12 and the T2 is working as in 6 now. Now to calculate the fundamental time period of YT, TYT is nothing but now LCM of 12 and 6. So answer is again 12 only. It means answer option number A for Ahmedabad only. Yeah. How many of you are getting option number A? How many of you guys getting option number A? Is this clear? Is it crystal clear बच्चों? Shall we go for next? साई किशोर D आएगा ना सर? ये तो 18 है. D क्यों आएगा? LCM 12 और 6 का LCM. बच्चों 12 और 6 का LCM क्या होता है यार? क्या कर रहे हो यार? यहाँ पाई बाई 2 था, यहाँ पाई बाई 6 था. T by पाई बाई 2, 2 to the 4 होता है. कंसीडर 12 होता है. क्या करते हो यार? इतने मासूम. Now some students are adding this 12 और 6 तो 18 होता है सर. 18 आंसर होगा. इतने मासूम कैसे बन रहे हो? हैं? Do you know LCM? अच्छा बोलो, आता है, सबको आता है, सबको पता है. Shall we go for next now? ऐसे मत करो यार बच्चों. देखो LCM में ऐड थोड़ा ना करते हैं यार. चलें फिर आगे. चलो फिर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन बताना जरा इस क्वेश्चन को. तो देखो ये कॉन्सेप्चुअल क्वेश्चन. ये क्वेश्चन 20 सेकंड का क्वेश्चन. 20 सेकंड ओनली 20 सेकंड रिक्वायर्ड इन दिस क्वेश्चन. ओनली 20 सेकंड. ओनली 20 सेकंड सर. हाँ ओनली 20 सेकंड. क्या बात कर रहे हो? हाँ 20 सेकंड बिल्कुल. 20 सेकंड. 30 दे देना. चलो 40 दे दिया तुम. अब तो करो 40 सेकंड. Input XT and output YT is given to you. आवाज ही नहीं आ रहा सर, आवाज ही नहीं आ रहा, नो वॉइस. सॉरी. अभी नाउ आवाज क्लियर. You have to find out, student, what you need to do with xt so that it will become yt. अरे भाई xt में क्या किया जाए कि वो yt बन जाए, बोलो बच्चों. What you need to perform with xt so that yt. So xt duration is 4, but yt duration is 2. It means signal compression will be there. It means time scaling must be there. हाँ या ना, time scaling. And the amplitude, earlier amplitude 5, here is 2 only. And one more thing is there, that is shifting. So it means first of all the signal is 5 to half, but amplitude is half, and x of scaling with 2 t. Now tell me what is shifting factor. This is also a question, guys. Tell me what is the shifting factor. I will feel happy if you will tell me. And those who have a strong concept of basics of signals, that is scaling, shifting, reversal. I know, student, if you are intelligent, but if you will not revise it now, you may struggle in simple concepts also. Yeah, Bharat, Shabash. So Raj, very good. Why 6? Because when you will shift this 4 by 6 distance, then it will get 10, and 10 by 2 is 5 only. It is 6 only. Similarly, this 8 minus 6, matlab 8 plus 6, 6 shift in right hand side, so 14. So 14 divided by 2, 7, and 10 divided by 2, 5. Yeah. So this is the exact system equation. This is the system equation now. This is your system equation, guys. This is your, and now you are having a system equation. Now you can identify whether it is linear or not. So it is 100% linear, sir. 100% linear. Now, student, all the time shifting is no problem, but time scaling is also there. So it will time variant. Linear but time variant. And causal or not? Tell me, guys, it's causal or not? Come on, guys. Causal or non-causal? Important question, guys. Causal, non-causal. Come on. Causal, non-causal. Causal, non-causal. C or NC? C. Okay. Sai Kishore says that C. Raj. अरे राज कैसे हो आज, जल्दी बताओ आज. C और NC? C और NC, जल्दी बोलो यार. सुनो. Just share it, guys. Just share to maximum. All of you should know that tomorrow also we are having the session from 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. Tomorrow also we are having session from 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. Yes. Linear time variant. Come on. Again. Is it causal? Are you sure it's causal? Are you sure causal? Rohit, Raj, Sai, call. Are you sure? Are you sure, guys? Are you sure it is causal? Okay, now let me take example. What do you mean by the causal system? The system is said to be causal if the output is only depends on the present and past value, does not depends on future. Come on, yes. If I will take t value 100, okay. If I will take t value 100, oh ho ho ho. If I will take t value 100, oh ho ho ho. Now here is what? X of t into 100 into 2, 200 in minus 6, 194. और सर ये तो धोखा हो गया हमारे साथ. 194 is future of 100. आया ना. 194 is future of 100. It is not past. Depending on future, it means non-causal. अरे सर जज्बात बदल दिए. अरे सर ये तो गजब हो गया. Non-causal बच्चों. आया ना. आज 194. So non-causal यार. So answer is what now? It means here actually the answer is linear, time variant, and non-causal. It is non-causal. Typing error. Non-causal actually. Yes or no? Now C is correct. Now C is correct. Yes or no? वॉइस बहुत कम है सर, कोई बात नहीं बच्चों, थोड़ा वॉइस कम, मेरा भी कम है और माइक का भी कम है, दोनों का कम हो गया आजकल, कोई बात। चलिए, ऑप्शन ही नहीं ऑप्शन टाइपिंग एरर, टाइपिंग एरर, ऑप्शन नहीं है तो यू हैव टू बी कॉन्फिडेंट अबाउट कि सर ऑप्शन में नहीं है, थोड़ा ऑप्शन नहीं है तो कुछ नहीं है तो सी करेक्ट है। Some students are only enjoying. अरे बोलो भाई, shall we go for next? Shall we go for next, guys? Shall we go for next? चलो फिर, अच्छा ये बताओ, इजी क्वेश्चन बताओ जरा, फोरियर ट्रांसफॉर्म का इजी क्वेश्चन, आसान क्वेश्चन। एक्चुअली आता तो है सर, बट अभी बता नहीं पाएंगे, अभी किसी के साथ बैठे हैं we know very well चलो, voice level is fine sir, okay good, very good Saik, very good. Easiest question ever guys, Fourier transform, very easy Fourier transform. If I talk about the standard Fourier transform results that you must remember, what is the Fourier transform of 1 guys? The 1 Fourier transform is 2 pi del omega. I hope you remember. What is the Fourier transform of del t guys? The Fourier transform of del t will be 1. What is the Fourier transform of ut guys? The Fourier transform of ut is equal to 1 upon j omega plus pi del omega. I hope you remember this. What is the Fourier transform of signum function of t? Fourier transform of signum function of t is twice upon j omega. What is the Fourier transform of e की power minus at ut? The Fourier transform will be 1 upon a plus j omega. What is the Fourier transform of e की power plus at u minus t? 1 upon a minus j omega. Now tell me guys, if you know everything, now tell me what is the Fourier transform of e की power 3t ut? Do it fast, 1 upon, जल्दी बोलो यार, what is the Fourier transform of this? Sai Kishore, Raj, do reply. 1 upon 3, बोलो 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 Fourier transform can't determine. Why? Because it is unbounded signal. The first concept is Fourier transform is only applicable for the bounded signals, not defined for unbounded signals. Can't determine. Very good guys, very good. Similarly, the standard result e की power minus a mod of t. The Fourier transform is twice a upon a square plus omega square. All of you guys getting the same or not? Please let me know. E की power minus का a mod of t Fourier transform. E की power minus का a mod of t Fourier transform twice a upon a square omega square. ये. Shall we go for next बच्चों? Shall we go for next? और भी एक सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट चीज था वो ये, सबको मैंने बोला है बहुत बार, रेक्टेंगुलर फंक्शन Fourier transform. Rectangular Fourier transform guys, most important in Fourier chapter. Minus tau by 2 to plus tau by 2, magnitude is a, and this width is tau, then its Fourier transform will be what? Then its Fourier transform will be a tau, Fourier transform will be a tau sampling of omega tau by 2. है ना? If this is a signal x of t with respect to time t, so it is a tau sampling of omega tau by 2. Yeah. I hope you understand this. Yes. If I talk about the triangular nature, how many of you remember the triangular? About the triangular, the standard form is minus tau to plus tau. Here is a. So it will be what? It will be Fourier transform is nothing but a tau sampling square omega tau by 2. Yeah. So these are the basic results that you need to remember, guys. This is the basic results that you need to remember. One more important result, I hope you remember, this is most important. Sine of at upon pi t, what is the Fourier transform? Sine of at upon pi t will give you a low pass filter in the analog continuous time domain omega. omega Fourier transform. Yeah. Sine of 80 upon pi t will give you this from minus a to plus a. Magnitude is what? Sine of 80 upon pi t minus a to plus. It is low pass filter. So it is x omega with respect to omega. This is time domain signal. This is frequency domain Fourier transform. Hi, na? Yes. So now coming to the question. Yeah. What is the answer of this? Time shifting property here. Do you know time shifting property, guys? Tell me which option correct. A, B, C, D. Which option? बहुत गलती की सर अब नहीं. शाबाश. Very good. Tell me, Raj. What is the answer? So do you remember, student, if xt has a Fourier transform of x omega, then x of t minus t naught is having the Fourier transform of x omega dot e की power minus का j omega t naught. If I am having the plus sign here, minus plus, if I will take plus minus sign, then I will get here plus minus also. ये plus तो plus, minus तो minus. ये time shifting होता है. ये time shifting. But here examiner is asking for this e की power minus 4t into u of t. अगर question होता, this is the question, then Fourier transform will be 1 upon a plus j omega. It means 1 upon 4 plus j omega. Similarly, e की power minus 4, here is t minus 1. T minus 1 into ut minus 1, then what about its Fourier transform, guys? Its Fourier transform will be what? Fourier transform will be 1 upon 4 plus j omega into minus 1 मतलब e की power minus j omega. Yeah. Now what is not required here? E की power minus 4t, e की power minus 4t ut minus 1. So answer is e की power minus 4t dot minus plus 4. Minus plus 4 into u of t minus 1, Fourier transform will be 1 upon 4 plus j omega. Now, what is not required, guys? E की power minus j omega already outside the bracket. E की power plus 4 is not required, so both sides you need to multiply with e की power minus 4. So now this is cancelled out and this is your actual question now. The final answer will be what? When you will take common in exponential, you will get minus common. So you will get inside the bracket 4 plus j omega upon 4 plus j omega. Yeah. So answer will be what? Option number D for Delhi. E की power minus 4 plus j omega upon 4 plus j omega. E की power minus 4 plus j omega upon 4 plus j. Option number D for Delhi. हाँ ना? Excellent teaching. Shabash. Thank you guys. Okay, just do reply fast, बच्चों. Shall we go for next? All of you do reply fast. Shall we go for next? Tell me which option is correct here. This is easy question, I think. This is easy question. If you know the sampling expression, I already revised the rectangular Fourier transform. Now it's very easy. The question is visible or not? First of all, tell me. The question is visible or not? This is actually 2 and this is actually 4. Yeah. 2 and 4. Try to solve, guys. Try to solve. बोलो भैया राज. Chennai Super Kings CSK. Some students are asking CSK. Okay. First of all, this signal xt is the combination of two signal x1t and x2t. So I can design this signal xt by I'm making a freehand curve here. If I will take my x1t here, I'm making a small diagram because I'm having a less space here. So x1t, this is my x1t. x1t from minus 4 to 4 I am taking from minus 4 to plus 4, and having a rectangular pulse which is having the value plus 4. Minus 4 से लेके plus 4 having the magnitude plus 4. Now here is minus 2. Minus 2 to plus 2 and having the magnitude 2. So if this is x1t, then this is x2t. So shall I say that, my dear student, this xt if I wish to generate, then I need to perform subtraction here. I need to subtract the curve number 2 from the curve number 1. So x1t minus x2t is nothing but xt. x1t minus x2t is nothing but xt. Yeah. Now you need to tell me, if I am looking for the Fourier transform of this, if I am looking for the Fourier transform of this, do you know what is the Fourier of x1t? A tau sampling of omega tau by tau. What is A? A is, what is tau? Tau is 8. Tau is 8 here. Tau is 4 here. This is 8. So A tau, 4 to the 32. 32 into sampling of omega tau by tau matlab 4 tau. Tau by 2 here. Omega tau by 2 8. Omega tau by 2 matlab omega tau by 2 4 omega actually. So 32 sampling 4 omega. 32 sampling 4 omega. Shabash. Minus what is the Fourier transform of this? X1 omega minus x2 omega. So 2 4 to the 8 sampling of 2 omega. Yeah. 8 sampling of 2 omega. 8 sampling of 2. Correct answer option number C for Chennai. Raj, very good. I think you already identified it. Easy question it is. Easy question it is. Rectangular pulse. Rectangular pulse is most important, I told many times. Rectangular pulse most important, I told many times. Yes or no? All of you guys just do reply fast. Shall we go for next? All of you guys just do reply fast. Shall we go for next? Yes? Come on then. Tell me what is the answer of this. This is also a trick. Do you know, student, Parseval theorem? Do you know Parseval theorem? I have taught you Parseval theorem to different representation of Parseval theorem. This is a GATE question also. EC 14 and EE 15. In continuous 2 years, the same similar type of concept asked. And this question my classroom student will solve in 2 seconds. Not even 4 seconds. I am telling you only 2 matlab on less than 4 seconds. Less than 4 seconds is required to solve this question. Less than 4 seconds. Yes. If you are my student, you can solve it. Kya pi by 8? Pi by 8 is wrong. Pi by 8 is wrong. Okay. Now, before going to solve this question, I just want to revise something. What I want to revise here? I want to revise something. Just try to focus on the board. How many of you? I will make a table. So that it will be easy to remember for a long time. It is easy to recall for a long time. Yeah. The table. First table is dedicated for area. First table is dedicated for area. And second table is dedicated for energy. Now I'm asking a simple question, guys. What is the sampling of T area? Sampling of T area is pi. Area now. What about the sampling of pi T? Do you know I have multiplied here scaling factor pi? So in the energy concept, whatever the scaling factor, the area concept, energy concept, whatever the scaling concept, we have to divide. So it means here pi by pi is 1, pi by pi. So it will be 1. Yeah. Now, do you think that sampling of pi t is nothing but Sinc of t or Sinc of t? SINC Sinc of t. Sinc of t is nothing but sampling of pi t, because Sinc of t is open like this, sine of pi t upon pi t. And this is the same representation of sampling of pi t. So it means Sinc of t area is also what? Sinc of t area is also 1. Now, if I will ask you ki SINC Sinc of AT, its area will be what? So you will say that the area will be 1 by A. And if I will ask what is the area of K into SINC Sinc of AT, you must say that sir, whatever is amplitude we must multiply. So its area will be plus K into A. So this is all about A. A stands for area. What about energy now? If I talk about sampling of T energy is also pi. So this is why I am making this similar type of table, so you can easily remember this for a long time. Sampling of pi T. Do you know sampling of pi T is nothing but Sinc of T, and its energy is also pi by pi minus 1 only. And or इसको say sampling of pi T is nothing but Sinc of T. क्या हो गया ये? Is nothing but or sampling of pi T is nothing but Sinc of T, guys. Sinc of T. Sinc of T. So Sinc of T energy is also 1. So if anybody will tell you what is the energy of Sinc of AT, then you must say it is 1 by A. 1 by A. And if anybody will say K into SINC Sinc of AT, then can you please tell me the energy now? Can you please tell me the energy now? Because in the energy formula we have a square, so here the expression will be K square by A. So this is the similarity and difference between the area and energy of sampling signal. This is most important. This table will be working as a trick in the competition examination, guys. For the gate, it is important. Important trick. Yeah, important trick. हाँ ना? शाबाश, शाबाश बाला, शाबाश. Now, if you know this, do you know what is sine of 8 pi t upon? Do you know what is sine 8 pi t upon 8? Do you know this? Sine of 8 pi t upon 8 pi t. It is nothing but sampling of. It is nothing but sampling of 8 pi t. And do you know sampling of 8 pi t is nothing but SINC Sinc of 8t? Yeah, Sinc of 8t. Sinc of 8t, sir. An examiner asking for energy minus infinity to, if I will ask this, then what is the answer? If I will ask this, then what is the answer? Minus infinity to infinity, sine SINC Sinc square 8t, then don't you think its answer is energy is nothing but 1 by 8? 1 by 8. 1 by 8? Yes or no? Aaya na? But here is a trap. Here is a trap. It is not minus infinity to infinity, guys. Do you know it is a even signal? So in the even signal, we have a property of integration. I can multiply 2 and I can split the limit 0 to infinity. I can write here Sinc square 8t or a dt energy is 1 by 8. 1 by 8. Yeah. Now I'm only looking for this, so I can divide, I can multiply both sides with half. So this half cancel, and here is also half. So for this particular question, answer is 1 by 18, 1 by 16, 8 to the 16. For this question, particular answer 1 by 16. I hope you are getting this. Yes or no, beta Raj? Yes or no? So those who know this concept, they are generally comment in the 1 or 2 second, 1 by 8, 1 by 8, maza aa gaya, 1 by 8, maza aa gaya. But here is a limit will make the difference. The limit will make the difference. हाँ या ना? Yes or no? All of you guys just let me know, is it clear or not, बच्चों यार? Minus infinity to infinity, then answer 1 by 8. Answer 1 by 8. Now some students are typing pi by 8 or 1 by 8, pi by 8. अरे क्या pi by 8 यार? हाँ या ना? Shall we go for next now? Shall we go for next? चलो फिर आगे. चलो. गजब concept. गजब. Very good question it is. Fourier series, very important. Do you remember Fourier series? Most important trick I have given to you. That trick you will never find in textbook reference. You can check even. You can check. You can cross check. Half wave symmetric signal, HWS amplitude criteria, edge criteria, slope criteria. So tell me first of all, this signal is even or odd? The first condition you must say that the signal is even only. The signal is even only. हाँ या ना? Do you think that the signal is even, guys? Now tell me, is it HWS or not? Is it HWS or not? Is it HWS? Okay, tell me what is the fundamental time period for this? Tell me what is the fundamental time period for this? Tell me what is the fundamental time period? Fundamental time period. What is FTP? What is FTP for this? फंडामेंटल टाइम पीरियड 8, ओहो गजब गजब गजब, कैसे भाई -2 से 4 आ रहा है तो फंडामेंटल टाइम पीरियड तो 6 हुआ ना इसका, फंडामेंटल टाइम पीरियड 6 हुआ सर ये। This is important concept guys, hidden HWS. What do you mean by hidden HWS? What do you mean by hidden HWS? ये important है। और यहाँ बात ये, if I will shift this signal, if I will provide the amplitude shifting, if I will provide the amplitude shifting by half in downward side, then I will get a curve like this. अरे 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 ये क्या, then I will get a curve like this, ये कैसे, ये ऐसे हुआ ये। Now we will shift this curve like this. So what about this location guys? What about this location? What about this location? Yeah. So this point -1 to 1. This point is -1 to +1. आया ना ये? Is this clear or not, बच्चा? ये. So the thing is, now if I will check the fundamental time period, this value is -2 still. This value is -2 still. This value is -2. ये value -2 है, ये value +2 है. ये -2 +2. And this value is 4, sir. This value is 4. So again, the fundamental time period is 6 only. Now you need to check whether it is HWS or not. You can check the amplitude at 0 and 3. 0 and 3. What about 0 guys? This is 3, sir. What about 0 पे amplitude half है and 3 पे -half. So it satisfies the amplitude criteria or short trick, because in the HWS signal, whatever the magnitude at t equal to 0, the magnitude should be negative at t equal to, the magnitude should be negative at t equal to t by 2. It means the fundamental time period is 6, then t by 2 is 3 only na? Are yes or no? So now the signal is E1 plus hidden HWS. The signal is E1 plus hidden HWS. Yeah. And do you know the beauty of hidden HWS? If the signal is pure HWS, then its average value is 0. But if the signal is hidden HWS, its average value non-zero. It means constant value non-zero. Because it is even signal, the signal is having only cos term. All the sine term will be 0. All the sine term will be 0. And because of it is HWS, the Fourier transform will contain only odd harmonics of cos term. Who is responsible to make 0 sine terms? Even signal. Who is responsible to make 0 all the even harmonics? HWS condition. So because of HWS, all the even harmonics will be 0, and because of the even signal, all the sine harmonics will be 0. It means the correct answer for this question is the non-zero DC component and odd harmonics of cos function. Correct answer option number A for Ahmedabad. Exactly option number A. So I think Raj already replied option number A. Correct only. Shabash. And as far as coefficients are concerned, if anyone will ask that how many non-zero coefficients present in this question, how many non-zero coefficients present in this question, then you must say that A0 is not equal to 0, A1 not equal to 0. So if I talk about the non-zero coefficient, for this, then A0, A1, A3, A5 and so on. So these are the non-zero coefficients for this. Bn will be 0 automatically. Shall we go for next? All of you guys just to reply fast, but shall we go for next or not? Shall we go for next? Here it is omega actually, so it is typing mistake, so I am writing here omega. Okay, tell me guys, what is the answer of this question? Come on. Easiest question it is guys, easiest question. Shabash. Thank you Saurav, thank you. All of you just try to reply fast and try to solve it. It is a property based question of Fourier transform. Why I told easiest question, no calculation is there. If you know the property, apply it, you will get the answer. I am giving you 1 minute time, guys, try to solve it. I am giving you 1 minute time, try to solve it. All of you guys just do reply. Shall we go for next? A. Okay. Sai Kishore, क्या बात है, क्या बात. So, a property based question. How many properties we have to use here? I will write first of all the individual properties, guys. So, if I talk about the frequency shifting property now, so if xt has a Fourier transform, x omega, then x of t minus t naught, frequency time shifting property, says that the same sign will reflect in frequency domain. So, it will be j omega t naught. Yeah, this is the first property. Okay. The second property is dxt upon dt is what, guys? If xt is having Fourier transform, then dxt upon dt is having the Fourier transform of j omega x omega. This is second property, guys. Now, if I talk about the next property, e ki power j, so this is the frequency shifting property. E ki power j omega 0 t into xt having the Fourier transform x of omega minus omega. So, in the frequency shifting, always opposite sign, here is plus and here is minus. In time shifting, same sign, minus to minus. So, these are the three property is involved actually. These are the three different property I must say here. This is time shift property, this is time shift property, this is differentiation property, this is differentiation property, and this is frequency shift property. So, all the three property we have applied combinedly in the last question. So, we must start the question from here, xt minus 1. So, if xt has a Fourier transform x omega, then xt minus 1 having the Fourier transform, x omega e की power minus का j omega. ये xt Fourier transform x omega, then xt minus 1 e की power minus omega. Now, what about this? d3 upon dt cube into x of t minus 1. Its Fourier transform will be j omega whole cube, because dxt upon j omega x omega, so j omega whole cube into x omega and into e की power minus j omega. We don't have any problem, sir, till here. Till here we don't have any problem, sir. Now, next e की power j2t, into, now it is working as one signal, ये whites, whatever I am writing with white, d3 upon dt cube into x of t minus 1. Now, tell me guys, what is its Fourier transform? Tell me guys, what about its Fourier transform? So, wherever is omega, now omega will replace with omega minus 2. Wherever is omega, what is j cube? So, here is j cube dot omega minus 2 whole cube dot x of omega minus 2 dot e की power minus j omega minus 2. So, what is j cube, guys? J cube is minus j omega minus 2 का whole cube x of omega minus 2 और e की power minus का j. I think option number Ahmedabad, ये option number Ahmedabad, exactly option number A for Ahmedabad. ये देखो एक बार चेक करो. First of all, plus j is wrong, minus j is only, omega plus 2 is wrong, omega plus 2 is wrong. So, option number A for Ahmedabad is only correct, guys. Shabash Sai Kishore, Shabash Raj, very good. So, I think guys, you have enjoyed the session. So, that's all from today's session, guys. We'll meet tomorrow at 6 p.m. okay, and we'll have a discussion on Laplace transform question, jet transform question, sampling question, discrete time convolution question. ए में ई की पावर देख लो सर, शाबाश, वेरी गुड कॉन्सेप्ट साई किशोर. हियर ऑप्शन एलिमिनेशन इज हियर बाय यूजिंग द ऑप्शन एलिमिनेशन. सर कल वॉइस इंक्रीज कर लेना सर. ओके राज, डेफिनेटली विल इंक्रीज द वॉइस. वॉइस काफी कम हो रहा है. यस यस यस. सो बाय बाय प्यारे बच्चों, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर अटेंडिंग इन लाइव. Stay tuned on this YouTube channel IMS GATE Academy. Just inform to other students now Ankur sir is teaching at IMS GATE Academy. Okay, so bye bye. Okay, we'll meet tomorrow at 6 p.m. Okay guys, we'll meet.